Oh, shoot. Just hit TP. Oh, boy. That was quick. That was quick. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let me change this real quick so you guys can see. Just hit TP, ladies and gentlemen. Just hit TP. I'm always late with these things, man. Took a trade this morning on Euro JPY, but we could still find others. I still have other, what's the word I'm looking for? Other positions lined up. Let's go, Alan Mug. Welcome, 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 welcome. It's gonna be a great day. We already, bro. This week we're just having a great time, bro. I just hit TP on this. I'm super happy. I'll make it because you're kind of not our best. Shoot, Marcus. Let me. Hey, man. Hokolodo. What's good? What's good? Welcome to the live. All right, we just hit T. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Black Owl. Good morning. Missed yesterday's TPS. Oh, yesterday's TPs. Yeah, bro. It's all good. Today we'll get some. We'll get some today. Don't even worry about it. Let me see what's going on here. Don't even worry about it, brother. Don't even stress. Don't even stress, man. Don't even stress. Don't even stress, man. We got this. We got this. We're going to get some more TPs, you know. We're going to get some good trades in. It's going to be fire. Fire. Yoga fire. I need to get that sound effect. It's night, not morning in Thailand. Oh, gosh. We got to get a good night song for you. Hey, Smile the Trader, what's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome back. We just hit TP on this, guys. Took this. You guys, I think Forex is starting to work for me, bro. If you guys were not here yesterday, I took this trade yesterday on Forex as well. Beautiful trade. Yesterday, we hit this trade as well. That was really nice. We also took one on SPX 500. Let me see if I can show you guys. Where is it this one? Maybe not. Oh, wait, where is it at? It's got to be here somewhere. There you go. I think it was this one. Yeah. No, that's the one from the day before. Where's the one from yesterday? Wait, this was Tuesday. So, man, so many charts, guys. So many charts. Damn, which one did we take yesterday? Guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna find it. We took another. Basically, we took 3 trades yesterday. They all hit yesterday. It was so beautiful live, like all real trades. I just need to find where it was. Was it this one? This is Wednesday. Yeah, it's got to be this one. So let me go back and show you guys this one right here. There you go. This one also hit TP yesterday. If we had held, bro, oh my God, look at that. Right. So we took SPX 500. We took Euro JPY, and then what was the other one that we took yesterday? I have to check. 1 sec. I have it here. I have it right over here. Close position. AUD JPY. Yes, that was the one. AUD JPY. All right. Yesterday we took a trade on that as well. Look at this. Beautiful play yesterday. So you guys, I think Forex is really starting to work, man. Really and truly starting to work. So it has been really, really, really awesome. I hope you guys are having a great time. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a great week. I told myself I wasn't going to trade today because I don't need to. I took 3 trades yesterday, so I should be fine. But some of these opportunities just look too good to pass up, you know what I'm saying? So I took the trade. But anyways, for those of you who are here, it wouldn't be a good stream without us starting off with our good morning. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody who's here. Welcome to the chat, the live, the family, the whole 9 yards. Thank you guys so much for being here. I got to good morning, pineapples. Ryuzaki, what's good? What's good? I got to post the Discord real quick, guys. So give me a second. Sometimes I have to take off my screen because sometimes people send me sensitive information. I don't want that on the internet. So give me 1 second. It'll take 2 seconds, guys. I just got to copy the Discord link. Copy. Wait, there we go. And then voila. All right. We can go back to where we came from. There you go. All right, guys. I'm going to post this in the chat, in the Discord. And then I'm also going to say also Instagram at my money foreign. Okay, and you guys, I have a website coming soon, but it's essentially all right, but I'll deal with that later. I'll post that later. For now, we're just gonna keep it to these two. All right, and I'm going to pin this. Oops, wrong one. I'm trying to there you go, pin message. There we go, guys. All right, so let's get to trading. It's almost 9:30, guys. So you know what that means? It means on US 500 or SPX 500 or US 30 and NAS, we're probably gonna see some things happening. I have some alerts already set here for this zone. I'm gonna see how price responds to this zone. We might get in here. We also have for US 30. Damn. For US 30, there we go. We also have this zone that I'm anticipating price is going to come down to, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So right now I'm going to be more focused on, let's say, US 30, just because we're a lot closer to that zone. And we're going to see how that plays out. Okay. I was taking a look at oil this morning, just to see. I try to glance through everything that we're looking at, right? Because recently we've been trading everything. We're like 2 for 2 for gold. Yesterday we hit another 1 to 4 on gold. The day before that, or Friday, we hit another 1 to 4 on gold. So bro, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm just here's what I'll say. When you're a beginning trader and you start to see that everything you're doing is like hitting, don't get too cocky. Sometimes the market conditions are just really good for your trade style, but if you act too arrogant, the market will humble you. So we still have to be very, very careful. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold finally broke out of this area. For those of you who don't know what this is a letter we wrote to gold, because gold, we want gold to hit TP. Let me get rid of this real quick. In fact, we have, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. It's a newbie trap. Absolutely. Okay, the alert hit. Let's go back and see what happened, guys. It's 9:28. You see how the candles move? I want you guys to see in real time how US 30 opens for at 9:30. How the market opens for US 30. All right, so 929. Look at the candle that it's starting to create. All right, we have what, 45 seconds until the next candle opens. Look how it's just going, violating. Look at this. Okay, this is the type of activity we get every single day on US 30. Every single day. All right, you guys will see when the market opens. Hopefully you guys will see. We will see what happens. I want you guys to see in real time. Now, there's a couple things I'm looking at. I don't like how we've been going sideways for a hot minute, but recently you can see we're kind of, you know what I mean, making lower highs and lower lows. All right, so that could be a sign for something. All right, as you can see, here we go. Market open. Let's see what happens. It's acting so calm. That's weird. Usually, like when market opens, you'll see this. Like just price just starts shooting out of nowhere to some next spot. So we're going to see how this goes. There's only one way I'm not going to look at this zone. There's only one way. And I'll explain to you guys in a second. In a second. I hope you guys are excited. It's Thursday. What is your... I haven't updated my calendar in a hot minute, but this week I'm literally... I think I'm 5 for 5 this week. This week I'm on fire. Absolute fire. And I'm not talking about like paper trades we took. I'm talking about like live trades. So this week is really, really, really good for me. A couple weeks ago, I was break even. I think the week after that, I was 2-1. This week, yeah, man. This week is starting to look good. Well, not starting to. It's almost done. So this week has been pretty good. So let's see if we can get into a trade. Khalid is here. What's good, Khalid? Hi with like. Yes, guys, please like the. Oh God. Like the stream. It'll help with the algorithm. All right. So under normal circumstances, I would, as soon as price starts breaking like this, I get into a trade. But in this case here, I'm looking for a couple things because the candles are too large at this point. But at this point here, we'll see if price breaks this. Yeah, it does. Oh my gosh. Guys, we'll get into a paper trade so I can show you how to trade these setups. But you usually just want price. You see how price gets to the zone? Remember when it was going down, I told you guys I'm still going to look at this zone because it's New York Open. So New York Open is going to do this where it's going to seem like it's violating the zone, but it's just very volatile. All right, so let's see. We'll do 2 positions because I would have got in at the break of this candle. But let me show you in case you use market structure like a breakup structure. Let's do both. All right, now we have to aim for a 1 to 2 on here. All right, and we'll do this for the same spot. So got to be super careful for a New York Open, but you guys can see in real time what we're doing. Shorting Nas, take profit, got you. Adib is here. Adib said, hey, what's good, Adib? Let's get into some buys. Connect the paper trading. Yeah, connect. All right, guys, I have 3 million in this account, bro. Buy my course. I'm kidding. I don't have a course, guys. It's a joke. I do not have a course. Oh, what's going on? It's not working. All right. It is what it is, unfortunately. All right, so you see what's happening around this 9:30 open time. So that's why like 9:30 is like a great time for scalps, but you got to be careful because of the volatility. Even though it's broken structure and it's done all this, it could come all the way back down. I just need to get into a trade. What is going on here? What is going on? You know what? Let me close this. Save and close. And then let's just use, no, this should have opened as well. So let's open a new one. And let's go to right here. Hopefully this works. Oh gosh, guys, look what's happening to price. So if you get stopped out, first off, I should have said this. Don't take this as not a signal. But if you guys get stopped out, I'll show you what to do. Because I can't tell you how many times price has done this to me before, where it's like come all the way back down and then gone back up. All right, so just be patient. You'll get them on the next one. Is this going to work? No, it's not working. Craziness. All right, get them on the next one. Usually when I'm trading US 30, you guys will notice I'll always come on stream after around 9:30 because I have to be very careful around this time. So I'll either try and get in before, and if price happens like this, I'll either get in if the setup looks really good, or if not, I'll just wait for it to pan out, then get into a trade because the volatility can get crazy. But I'm still gonna show you guys in real time how to manage this. We already, for those of you guys who are just joining, we already hit TP on where is it at? On Euro JPY. All right, I already took a trade this morning, Euro JPY. We hit TP. Oh gosh, don't tell me you're now buying. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm down 12K. Holy smokes, bro. But we got 3 mil in this account, so it don't matter. And it's a paper account, guys. It's nothing real, all right? This account, I started with 100K. It's now at 3 mil. So you can imagine the type of trades I've been taking. We're going to put it down here. What is going on? Oh, shoot, it's buying more. Oh my God, bro. All right, so fair is fair. We're still going to set our TP to the right spot. Sorry, our stop loss to the right spot and the TP to the right spot. And we will see what happens. Which in this case looks like we're going to get stopped out, but we'll see. Whenever I get into a trade like this and price is breaking down to these levels, it's very rare that it doesn't take me out first before going up. So if this still manages to go up, I would be shocked. I won't lie. But we'll see what happens. We'll still, find ways to get in. But this is the trade we took this morning. I'm looking at some other ones here as well. US 30. We might even look at oil. We'll look at gold. Bro, I shouldn't have pressed it that many times, but that's nuts. That is nuts. But let's see what our TP is going to be. Oh, it's not even sending the TP. What is going on here? Okay, I think something's wrong with TradingView right now. This happened the other day. You guys remember this? All right, guys. So look, price is going back up, but don't be too excited. It could be just retracing to certain levels to come down, right? So we just have to be very mindful of what's going on. We're just going to watch and wait. I didn't actually take this particular trade because I already took the trade on what's it called, Euro JPY, so I can afford to be picky. I'm 5 for 5 this week. I don't have to take any other trades at all. But we'll see if this would have been a good one. All right, guys. So we entered here, and the other spot was right here. So let's see what happens. Khalid said from FEG entry. Okay, so Khalid's giving us his coordinates for our NAS 100, so we could check that out. Pavan 1290 said, I just purchased a prop firm. Any suggestions? Yes. Trade with 0.05. Trade with 0.50 or 0.5%. Risk 0.5% until you get at least 1% to maybe 2% buffer. Then you can start risking 1%. You could also, if you're confident, you can start risking 1%. But the second you go below your initial balance, start risking 0.05. Start risking 0.5%. That's what will keep you in the game. A lot of people keep risking 1%, 1%, 1%. They just keep going further into drawdown. I had a situation with the Forex funder where the account went into drawdown about 2%, right? Because I was risking 0.05, but it was like a total of 3 trades and 6 positions. And I ended up recovering that because it wasn't too deep in drawdown, right? But if I had taken those positions like that, it might have been -6% or -4% or whatever the case is, right? So that's my suggestion. Raizaki said, flip a coin, heads, buy, tail sale. Don't listen to Raizaki. Raizaki, you're going on the list, bro. You're going on the list this morning. You're going on the list. Where's my thing right here? Where is it? You're going on the list, Raizaki. You want to know why? You're being...
You're a bad boy.
Yeah.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
You're being a bad boy, Raizaki. Don't listen to Raizaki. Don't do that. Do not do that. All right? Raizaki. Ryuzaki. All right, let's take a look at some other pairs real quick while that's going on. I'm going to set some alerts, all right, since this TP and stop loss stuff is not working. It's nuts. It's not working. But I'll set an alert for here. I'll say price is about to hit stop loss, and then I'll set one for here saying price is headed towards TP. You guys, by the way, I forgot, oops, not TO, TP. I forgot to say this earlier on. Do not take any of the trades I'm taking. They are, you know, I mean, don't follow me. I'm not an expert. I'm not a guru. You can lose your money in these trades. I've already taken the trade this morning that I felt was good and I made money. The ones I'm doing from here on are all like theoreticals. All right. We don't know what's going on. Let's go to NAS real quick and take a look at what's happening over there. Because somebody gave coordinates for NAS. So let's take a quick look at NAS. So the person said from FVG entry 1921 TP. Okay, entry at 19. All right, is this a buy or a sell? We'll see. So let's do entry level is at, he gave 19272.71. No, so that means it's a sell. He said he was shorting. I remember he said he was shorting. That's what he did. Okay, so we're gonna say entry price at 19272.71, and then we're going to put TP at 19208, basically. Okay, and then your stop loss. I don't know where your stop loss is at. He said from FVG. Let's see if we can find that FVG. Which FVG did you use? Up here? Did you use this one? But your entry is here. So I don't know. Let me know, man. Give us some more information so we could check it out. For those of you who are joining, we've already taken a trade on Euro JPY this morning that we won. I took this live. If you were here at the beginning of the trade, I hit TP live. Right now, we have US 30 battling for its life. Oh, finally, the TPs and stuff are starting to set. Okay, cool. So there we go. Guys, if we win this trade, we're going to make 141K. Yo, after this, I'm taking everybody out to dinner, man. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to fly everybody. We're all going to dinner. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Khalid said, sell, yes, for sure. Bright Vlog said, we know you are an expert, bro. Loss is part of the game. Bro, I'm not an expert, I promise you. This week has been very good for me, though. I won't lie. I'm 5 for 5 this week, guys. I'm 5 for 5. All 5 of my trades this week have hit. Yesterday, I took 3 trades, and Monday, I took 1 as well. So, and everything's hit, man. And I think Forex is starting to work for me because look at this, bro. You couldn't get a better entry than that. Nuts. I should have held, bro. I should have held. Oh my gosh, I should have held. It's all goody. Bro, that's crazy. Pavan said, I'm confident, but still risking 0.25%, and I'm 0.65 up. Good. 3 days, 5 trades. It's all good, bro. Go at your pace. Don't let nobody rush you. They took the time limits off. Go at your pace. Just don't be afraid. Follow your plan to the death of it. You know what I mean? To the end. Price is about to hit stop loss. Not great. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're about to get cooked, guys. We're about to lose 50K. Hey, listen. If we lose 50K in this trade, I need all of y'all to donate to my charity. I need everybody to donate to my charity. We're about to lose 52K. Brad Block said, even Cristiano Ronaldo can't hit all the goals sometimes. I appreciate the love, the support, and the encouraging words, but I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much, Bright Vlogs. Means a lot. I get where you're going with that for sure. Khalid said 5-minute SVG. Okay. FVG. SVG is where my wife is from. All right, 5-minute. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. Was it this one then? Was it this massive one right here? I'm assuming that's what you got into. You have this massive one right here. So maybe that's what you got into. And you're selling TP. So you already hit take profit. No, so what was this? Where was your stop loss? Let me see if you put it. You didn't give us your stop loss, so I don't know if like what your risk to reward was. Because right now this is like basically like a 1-to-1, which is fine. If you trade a 1-to-1, that's all you. But I don't know. Adib said I took a trade by USD CAD. Oh, okay, let's take a look, guys. We all about it. We'll come back to this Euro trade. Let's do USD CAD. All right, so he took a buy. All right, let's map this out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's map this out. He took a buy in at, okay, let me mark this up. So entry price, in fact, let me see if I could, what was that noise? Oh, that was stop loss. Guys, we got liquidated. All right, we are going to go back and see what's going on. I anticipate probably the next best level is probably going to be around here. Maybe. But to be honest, when things like this happen, right, I kind of expect only because look how close we are to this area, right? So price is going to push further down. But secondly, days like this, the reason why I didn't take this trade on my actual account and I took the Euro JPY instead is because when I have a day like this where price is close to this and stuff like that, I just know that even if price is determined to go up, it's going to give us some issues around here. It might come all the way back down. It may not. It might just randomly take something within here and then go up. We may see what happens, all right? So like Bright Vlogs was saying, it's all part of the game. But luckily for me, I didn't take the trade in real life. And this is why I'm careful. I'm picky, especially if I wouldn't have trade within the beginning of the week, at the start of the week. I'm very picky as to what I take on in like real life. So if I'm going to take another trade here live on stream, you guys will see it'll be like a really proper setup. It won't be no janky setup. But even so, I wouldn't still call this a necessarily bad trade because essentially what we were looking for is what we got. Usually when I mark out a zone, price will come down, right? Go down further, break the high, we retrace, and then we take it up, okay? Today just seems like it has other plans, and again, it could be because of the bearish pressure from up here. So if I was trading this and I took the trade, I wouldn't be mad at myself because I still followed my plan. You see what I'm saying? That's what your job is as a trader. All right, enough yapping. Let's get back to Adib's trade. Adib's entry. His entry price is, let me see if I can get it from here. Perfect. I can just copy it instead of struggling out here. Okay, that's his entry. His stop loss is at right here. Copy that as well. Okay, and then his TP is right here. Let's see. Let's see. All right, cool. Thank you, Adib. We'll get a good look. Are you swinging, Adib? I think you're swinging. Okay, cool. Wow. Wow. I see. So Adib is anticipating that price is going to go towards the upside. Let's see if we can analyze this and follow this with him. What is going on with USD CAD? I think we've analyzed this a couple times, guys. I haven't personally traded this, but sheesh. By the way, I don't know who was yesterday. I think it was let me go here real quick. Javier. If Javier comes back, we'll give him a congratulations because he hit TP yesterday. All right. We were both in this trade, right? And it hit TP. Okay, so Javier, congratulations to you, my boy. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on over here. Let's get rid of all this. Guys, I'm going to delete everything. I like a clean chart. This is just so messy. Yeah. All right, let's take a good look at how, all right, USD CAD moves. So you can see right off the bat, price basically went down. We'll just make it easy. Okay, came back up a little bit. Didn't break this low. Started to make higher highs, okay? We have since then been kind of, not sideways, I would say, but I mean, you know what I mean? We're not really making great progress. So we're right here. Price hasn't broken this low and hasn't taken out this high yet. The last low that was broken was this. So we can assume we're actually in a bear trend, right? We might be going like this, even though there's a good chance it can go up. But technically, since we came down, we haven't been able to break this high. We've crept all the way back up here, but nothing seems to get past this level here, right? Whatever's in this region, nothing is breaking this zone. Okay, the other thing too is that when you look at how price is, you know what I mean, going, you can kind of see. Let me do this instead. This will be easier, right? Could do it like this, or if you really want like a steep trend line, then you can have this. You can mark this one out and say for the short term, we've got some stuff going on like this or whatever the case is. But trend lines can be super tricky because it's very subjective. Like I'm right now forcing the trend line on the market, but this would not be reliable to me. I would more so just worry about this part up here and this part up here where price is slowly, you see what I'm saying? Slowly going sideways. So even on the shorter time frame, you can see right here, price isn't breaking this level. And even down here, it's having a hard time in this area. So what that means is that we have some strong, you can see from here, all right? Strong support right here. And then up here as well, in the short term, we have this strong resistance. So price is going sideways. It's kind of like what's happening with gold. All right, same thing's happening with gold. And Adib, right? Was it Adib? Or was it Khalid? No, it's Adib. Adib is hoping to go towards the upside. So here's what we can look at. We got to look at market structure. Price was going up, right? Came down, went up, made higher highs, broke these lows here. And this area happens to be a very strong area of support. Okay, very strong area. If you go left, you can see that whenever prices come into this area, we have had some issue to some capacity. Okay, so this is a very strong level. So you know what I realized I just did? His take profit and everything that we just said, I deleted. So I'm gonna put that back on and let's see if we can get if he can hit his TP. But so far, this is what I'm looking at. So for me personally, I would be bearish. Even though price has in the short term, you know what I mean, on the 1 hour, I would suppose we've been trending upwards. We're approaching a very strong level. So I would wait. If I was swinging, I'd wait. But I can see where he's going with this trade. So let's go down to like the 1 hour, maybe the 15, and let's plot his trade again. And then let's take it from there. All right, so Adib, I'm going to have to copy your settings again. This was TP, so let's just do that. TP was, okay, that was TP. Stop loss was this right here. Okay, let me copy that. And then entry was right here. Entry price. All right, cool. So let's take a look at Adib's trade. So this is what Adib is looking at right now. Now, in this case, let me just zoom out just a little bit. Yeah, he could hit TP because we don't know where within this range, we don't know where within this range that price is going to decide to call it, right? It might want to take out these highs first before coming back down. But I could see this. And his stop loss is in a great spot, to be honest. It's literally past, like, we have a recent swing low here. We have another one here. And then we have the ultimate swing low down here. So it's a good, I don't see why not. You will at least get a 1-to-1 in my opinion. At least a 1-to-1. However, right, market structure. So we have price doing stuff like this. broke these lows, came back up, gave us a higher high, then a lower low. Another lower high, you know what I mean? Intermediate, boom, we're breaking. I would watch out for this area right here. This is where we might, now, I don't think this is where we're going to get a full push down, but we might get a little bit of a retracement before it goes up. Or it might be the one that actually sends us to the pits, all right? So I would say be very careful or mindful of this gap right here. Right here. All right, when price gets there, we will see what happens. We'll see if price respects it or rejects it. Nice. Oops. All right. Okay, for whoever was down here, I think they gave the coordinates as well. Let's see. His stop loss was, I think he gave it right here as 19. Gotta copy it. Gots to copy it and put stop loss. If I'm not mistaken, there we go. All right, cool. So this was his entry, right? Obviously, you didn't get stopped out. So this is what we're looking at. So almost a 1 to 4. That's nice. Very nice. Guys, let's put some fire emojis in the chat for, who was it? Was it Adib? No, Khalid. Fire emojis in the chat for Khalid. Khalid hit TP. Let's congratulate him. Let's put some fire emojis in the chat and let's play our congratulations song. So Khalid, congratulations, my brother.
Congratulations.
Fire emojis in the chat. Show some love. Show some love. Fire emojis in the chat for Khalid.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Clap it up, clap it up. Congratulations, Khalid or Khalid. You've done a great job and we are happy for you.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations. Good job. 1 to 4 trade. This week seems to be really good for all of us. I know Marcus had a great week as well. I'm 5 for 5 this week. Marcus is on fire, killing it. Khalid hit a trade today. Yesterday, somebody else hit a trade. It's been a good trading week for us, guys. Very good trading week. Really, really good. And someone even took one of our mock-up trades we did on live and also hit TP on like a 1 to 4 or 1 to 3. This is amazing stuff, guys. Bro, you got out at the right spot. Price is like, you know. Let me go check. In fact, let me go check US30 real quick because US30, where was we at? Oh, there you go. All right, so here we go. Price is coming back down to this level. We'll see what happens. I'll keep an alert there just to, I'll see what's going on here. Oh gosh, not again. Not again, bro. If you guys have been on my lives before, this keyboard I got from Apple, it uses batteries. I can't stand it, bro. Every so often it'll die. Okay, well, it's back. Check out what's going on. Not this. FHE. Oops. All right, so we'll just keep that in mind. All right, let's go back to USD CAD. We can see what's going on here. Gold, listen, right now, I'm telling you guys right now, I'm not going to look at nothing with gold until closer to like 11 if I'm still on the stream. No lie. No lie. Steven said, repeat that, please. Repeat what, the song? Or what do you want me to repeat? Right, Zaki said, where do you get these singles from? The internet, brother. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they're all over. You come across these memes all the time. The song, you want me to repeat the song? We'll repeat the song soon, Steven, I promise. We will. Somebody else is going to hit TP or one of our trades will hit TP today. I promise. We will get another chance, all right? I don't want to overplay. These are special songs. If we play them randomly, you know what I mean? They'll lose their meaning. They'll lose their special touch. So in the meantime, for those of you who are just joining us, we took a trade this morning on EuroJPY, hit TP. Beautiful trade this morning. This was my TP. Very nice trade. I think Forex is starting to work out for me, so I really I'm kind of looking forward to it. The thing I like about Forex, and Carmelo was saying the same thing to me. He's like, bro, the thing about Forex is like, when you start to really understand how Forex works, you can actually trade a lot of different pairs at the same time. It's not like indices where you have to kind of watch each one very differently, or gold or whatever the case is. So he might be right. A lot of these trades are playing out on, Forex pairs, on gold. So we'll see what happens, man. We will see what happens. So I'm 5 for 5 this week. I'm good. I'm going to be like, I probably won't even trade tomorrow. Just probably chop it up with you guys on the live and do an analysis for you guys and take it from there. We have oil. Let's see what oil is saying. Oil's been following structure really, really well. And now it's breaking towards the upside. Very interesting. We do have this incredible spot here that seems to be problematic. I don't know about buying oil, man. Oil is a tricky one. But right now, I don't see anything that even makes me want to look at the chart, to be honest. So I'm going to skip oil for now. NASDAQ. This is why I didn't take a trade today on US 30. Look at how all of them right now have this thing going on. Okay, it's not consolidation per se, but it's like this stale type of movement. You see what I'm saying? They all have it. If you go to US 30, US 30 was doing the same thing, but it broke out. Right? And all this stale movement going on. I'm like, and usually I wait for the anticipation of a breakout to trade, but I just don't like when it's doing that stuff around these type of levels, because I know that it's going to be a tricky trade. So wasn't really great. I checked SPX this morning as well. And did my alert not go off for this? I thought I set an alert for this. But anyways, same thing was happening. So I decided I was going to take the Euro JPY trade instead. And I did that. Yeah. Now SPX is at that level. I don't like what's going on over here. So anyhow, that's what we got going on. So we have gold. Gold finally broke out of this consolidation zone. You know how long we've been waiting for this? We've been waiting for this for so I'm on the 30 minute. No, 1 hour. We've been waiting for this for so long. So we will see what happens. I anticipate that with these all-time highs will come a nasty retracement. It always does. Or it might just keep going, but we don't know. We'll have to wait and see what occurs. What else we got going on? Is that it? Is that all we're trading, guys? GBPUSD. This is a pair I don't like. I'll tell you guys right now. I don't like GBPUSD at all. I don't like anything about it. I don't like GBPUSD. I rather trade GJ, and I don't like GJ either. So look what's going on here, bro. Price came down to this strong level. Didn't really, broke down below, pushed down a little bit, and now it's using it as a trampoline to go up. I don't like it. And then Euro JPY, we've already done what we had to do. Beautiful trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, we have GBP CHF. I was anticipating price was going to come down to this level. It didn't do that. It already tapped into here, so we'll see. Again, bro? What is going on? All right, let's go see. Oh. All right, guys, let's see. I mean, we got nothing else to do, right? We might as well look at what's going on at this level and see. If the trade is really good, I may hop in. But even then, it's 10 o'clock. I'm not really interested, to be quite honest. I'd probably do a mock-up just for you guys to see. Because part of the reason why I do this live is just to show you guys. I'm not an expert, but some of you guys are new and want to see live executions and things because it helps you. So that's why I do it. But I would never recommend you guys follow my trades. Never. Even though this week we've been on fire. And I'm sorry, we 5 for 5. But still. What's it called? Steven said, yeah. Steven said, okay. Marcus said 100% facts. Steven said, I'm on GBP CAD. Take a look, please. Okay, I'm going to take a look at GBP CAD. We have USD CAD. We'll come back to that. Actually, you know what? No, let me go back. I will change this one instead. Yeah. All right, GBP CAD. Let's take a look at GBP CAD, baby. Oh, we've already analyzed this. Oh, yeah, the other day somebody had us look into this. So here we are. Price came into our zone, and look what it's doing. It's going down, and it's breaking lows. Okay? But what you want is for price when it breaks this low. So when it comes down like this, you want it to go down a bit further, come back, kind of retest something in this area and continue and break this low. If you notice that price kind of like broke the low but is going back up, we're most likely reversing. So this one's going to be interesting. Let's take a look on a bigger time frame. Oh, so here we are. Very interesting. We've been channeling towards the upside to this strong zone, which I assume is on a weekly. And you know how these time zones are. The higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. So at some point, we're going to get a nasty push towards the upside, unless this is the time that price has decided is going to break towards the upside. Now, you guys remember I told you about when price is going down, and then all of a sudden it consolidates. Oh my gosh, can't even keep up. All right, we are going to, I'm going to set another alert. I'll come back to this. I'm going to say price is now at the 50% mark of the FEG. Okay, this will just help me to understand. And then we will put another one right here, and we'll say price is retracing. Okay, that way we can observe GBP CAD and come back to that. All right, so I told you guys when price is going down like this, if you have price trending downwards really strongly, it's going, and then all of a sudden you get something like this, or price is just like doing stuff like this, it's gonna do this. I've shown you guys be my witness. I've shown you guys this probably like the last 2 weeks, like every day. It's just something that happens a lot in the market. Okay, here's where I will start looking at. There are two zones. This is on the 1 hour, but we'll see. And the reason why I'm looking at this is because even when you see what I'm saying? It's actually in a very convenient area. So I'm going to kind of watch out for that spot right there. In terms of it giving us some trouble. Okay, price is tapping 1 hour. I'll say FEG. All right, so that's one area. Because here's the thing, I wouldn't really look at buys right now because we've already missed that train, in my opinion. In my opinion, price is already left without us. I'm not looking at buys. I'm not looking at retracements if I'm going to get into a trade, right? So I would wait for price to come up into this level. And then when price comes to this level, I will see if it can give me, you know, something that I can use to an engulfing candle, some sort of pattern, something that will make me feel like it's going back down or at least retracing. You see what I'm saying? And I could probably scalp that because I'm a scalper. I'm not a swing trader. So I would just want to get in and out. All right, so we'll take a look at that. Someone else, Marcus said UK 100. Oh boy, okay. We got a lot to look at today. GBP CAD. All right, so let me come back to GBP CAD real quick. Let's go to UK 100. Oh, it's kind of doing what, but this is interesting though. Let me see. Oh, so this is far different from US 30. Look at this, bro. Right? And even then, within those pockets, you can have like, right? Like smaller ones here, another smaller one there, another. So, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's very interesting. Breaks down, comes back, consolidates, now breaks up. But at least for the short term, or we can say recently, we've been bullish. All right. It's obvious that we have some strong levels up here. Right? I mean, it's no secret. Anybody can draw that. So this is an area we have to be mindful of. Whenever price returns to this area, we got to be super mindful. Going down to the daily, all right, we can see that price, very clear as day, was making higher highs and higher lows. And then we started getting lower highs, right? We had another lower high. Even though it broke this, it's still lower high. And we had a lower low. Now we have another lower high. And this is like equivalent to that. So I don't know if I can call it higher high, but essentially this is what we got going on. This is weird behavior. Very weird behavior, because I wish that price, you know what I mean, after coming from here and doing this, would either do this or that, so we can know. This stuff right here tells me something is not right here, for whatever reason. For whatever reason, this has turned out to be an incredibly strong zone. Price came, broke above it, went down, hasn't been able to break above it since. If I'm looking at things as a scalper in the short term, we have broken this low. So price was making highs, right? Lower high, higher high, now a higher low. I'm looking for something within this area to go down. That's honestly all I'm looking for. So for US, or not US, UK 100, I'm bearish. Okay, 4 hour, similar stuff. You can see here price after it came down, formed a lower low, gave us another high, Gave us another higher low, a bit of a higher high in this range, and now we're going back down. So I don't like how it's forming. It might do one of those where it just channels up towards the upside like this, all to take something within this range, maybe here, and then plummet. Okay, it might even want to retest this level one more time. So there's a lot of things that it can do. At this particular point, I would be a little mindful as to where I get in. Okay, we can clearly see that there's another strong level here, and price is pushing down from it. My target, if I'm scalping, or you know what I mean, is down here. I would probably go down to 15, see if I can get into something, but we're kind of far down already. I would have to maybe wait for price to retrace into here before I start looking into getting back into a trade. You see what I'm saying? So other than that, I'm not touching nothing. I don't even want to look at buys right now. Nothing. This is all that I'm looking at right now. So we'll put a alert there just in case it comes up during our time. Price has tapped into bearish. All right, that's really where I'm at for UK 100. He said NAS 100 maybe change the direction towards the upside. Oh boy. All right, let's see. NAS 100. You're asking if it's possibly reversing towards the upside. I mean, even though we've been going down for today, look at how steep this move has been, right? Like this move is, oh, I just have to change it. This move, okay, has been, where is it? All right, this move has been strong. It hasn't even touched the 23. So there's a good chance within here, like it could still go up. So I could see that happening. There is a gap right here, but I don't really care for it. I don't know if it's going to hold, and I don't want to take a retracement up so high. But we do see a lot of strong wicks there too. But you guys, there's a reason why I didn't trade these pairs today. And I'm a strictly like index trader or an indice trader. Okay, I don't trade nothing but those. But today I didn't touch them because I just didn't like the way everything was going at all. At all. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. There's a good chance this could still, like, you know what I mean, from here just fly towards upside, but I'd personally leave that alone. I'm not interested in these type of setups. What you want to do, to be quite honest, when you're trading, you want to catch the zones, the areas, the strong levels where you know there's a high chance for some sort of reaction. You want those. This, we don't know what's happening here, you know what I mean? So all right, so USD CAD, as soon as it touched this gap, with force straight towards the downside. Okay, we have a bit of a, what they call a change in character. I would not get into a sell right away, to be honest. Why do you keep on the half hour? 1 hour. This one's tricky because price is already pushed down from here, but we're also very close to that zone. For price to come up all the way here and just retrace from here, it seems unlikely to me. I feel like it wants to retest this one more time at least. So I don't know. But you guys do with that what you will. Okay, obviously would have gotten in here, but I'm not even gonna mark it up. Don't touch it. Just leave it alone for a bit, because we don't know what price really wants to do. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you this. Tuesdays, Thursdays, sometimes Fridays, but Tuesdays the most. You get the most movement in the market, at least for indices. On Tuesdays, the market, if it's falling, it doesn't even find a bottom. It just keeps going. So Thursday, today we could get a really good retracement at some point somewhere. Towards the downside, the upside, whatever the case is. US 30 on the 1 minute. This is nasty work. This is not good price action, price movement at all. I'm not going to get into anything right here. Even if it starts like shooting upwards, I don't even care. I don't want to touch this. I'm going to leave it alone. I know these pairs enough to know that this is not a good setup, even if it starts forming my pattern. I would have to see some volume pickup, and it's 10. It's 10 o'clock. Look, all the volume happened from here to here. That's it. As soon as that 9:30 opened, as you guys saw, I was telling you guys, 9:30 open is equivalent to some news candles on certain pairs. You can see the type of price action that formed. You see what I'm saying? So, leave that alone. Shoot, a lot of stuff came in. Marcus said, never really looked at that before. Got you. Should I move my stop loss to break even? Adib, are you the one in USD CAD? Oh, that's a good question. That's a good question. That's a good question. Here's where I think you might want to consider. Oh boy. Obviously, we can see we have this level here, right? Clear as day. So I would say this is a tough one, man. I don't want you to. Here's the thing. This was my rule before. When I used to do stops at break even, I had a rule. The rule was price would at least, I started this way first. Price would at least have to give me a 1-to-1. If it didn't give me a 1-to-1, I would let the trade play out because it means I was just wrong. And I have to learn that lesson. If not, when I started getting better, I would literally move my stops to break even at a 1-to-2. I'd close half so that I get at least 1% for the day. And then I would let the rest ride out. So that's up to you. Those were my rules. We still have a lot of room for price to do what it needs to do, considering everything that's going on. We're still. Oh, so it hit our. Yeah, so it's retracing. But that's going to be your call. For me personally, I would. Listen, do what you want, bro. I don't even want to give you advice because I don't want to tell you to leave it open and then you lose. Let me ask you a question, Adib. Are you up on your challenge? Is this a personal account? Like, that would help me. Because for me personally, as a trader, my job is to show up, execute, and let the trades do what they do. Anything else to me is failure, right? Like, if I tamper with the trade, I didn't do well. Because it's supposed to be, we're supposed to trade as consistently as possible to get a consistent outcome. So for me, that's how I do it. But I still fail to this day. Me and Marcus were talking about it the other day. The other day, I went in for a trade. I lost. I went in for another one. And that's not like me. And that trade win or lose? I can't remember. But it's long story short, that was not a good, response. So we have to be very disciplined. Okay, so somebody wants me to go back and look at GBP CAD again. All right, so Nas is breaking towards the upside. We got a little bit of consolidation going on, so it's probably just within this range. It might break up, it may not. I don't care what I see here. I would not touch this trade. Let's go back to GBP CAD. GBP CAD. All right, GBP CAD. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. So don't worry. I'll keep that's what the alerts are for. Okay, when price gets back to this zone, I know it's probably retracing a little bit maybe, but when I would not touch anything until it gets to this zone. Let me move this like this. Boom. When it gets to that zone, I will start paying more attention to it. NT Sako at play said US 30 looks good for shorts, but there are so many bullish gaps on the low. Guess I'm wait for more bearish gaps or just avoid it. What do you guys see? This is what we see, guys. This is the zone I drew out, but guys see me. Okay, 1 second. Let me switch back to me. Let me know, guys, if you can see me. Okay. Can you guys still see me? It's a bit of a lag, but it looks like you can. See very clearly. Okay, cool. Let me go back. Sorry, guys. So what I was saying is that not only did this trade not form the way that I wanted, right? I need a strong conviction before I get into stuff like this and clear market structure. I didn't get that. And even though I marked up this zone saying that it's most likely going to retrace from here, I'm still not getting in. Because it didn't meet my requirements, okay? And why do you guys think I'm bringing this up? I'm bringing this up because when I was a new trader, I can't tell you how many times I'd be like, oh, but I knew at this zone it was going to go up. I should have gone on. No, you want to be disciplined. Don't practice FOMO. Just be disciplined. The reason why I'm 5 for 5 this week is because certain criteria had to be met before I entered the trade. I didn't hop into... Look, the trade that met my criteria to some degree was this one, and it lost. This one... I marked up this zone saying there's a good chance it's going to go from here, and it did, but it's not my trade. So it's okay that I lost one and missed out on the other. You have to be disciplined so that you can get consistent results. Of course, if we had hopped in anywhere, I'm sure even if we let's say we get in here. Oops. I'm sure we can still get a decent, at least a 1-to-1 or something. But you don't want to trade like that. Just let the things do what they need to do. You stay disciplined. Let's see. Gosh, okay, where are we at? Maybe UK riots right now are affecting it. Maybe I'll take a look at it in a second. Kat said Nas 100 1 minute have nice FVG. I don't do 1 minute FVGs. I'll tell you that right now. No 1 minute FVGs for me. It's not something I do at all. So if you see a 1 minute and you want to take it, Khaled, this was your trade, right, Khaled? If you want to take it, by all means, up to you. I would not touch it. I don't do 1 minute FVGs at all. And this is coming from somebody who used to trade them all the time. Adib said, should I move my stop loss to break even? I think I answered that already. Or was that, who asked that before? I think it was Adib. He said, no, it's a demo. Oh, okay. And then Anti-Sakwa Play says, sent the US 30 lookout on Discord. Trade ideas, please check it out. Got you. I'll check it out just now. I want to go back to, I think it's Adib. Adib, if it's a demo, then use the demo to practice discipline. All right? Practice discipline. Hold the line. Don't consider even going to break even until you get to a 1-to-1. Then you can say, maybe I can do that. All right? Guys, I have to turn the screen off for just a sec, just in case there's anything on the Discord that is sensitive and people should not be seeing it. Trade ideas, let's see. All right, so 1 second. Trade ideas here. US 30. Oh, I see. 3-minute gap. And what did you say your position was again? So I didn't look at this country. Are you bullish or bearish? I thought you're the one who said sells, no? Let me know. We'll come back to this in a sec. Nas 100 flying, Khalid said. Yeah, Nas 100 is going off. It's going on. Even US 30. Even US 30 is going off. Okay, we'll come back to that in a sec. All right, look at US 30. Where was the area we got in? No. And look, SPX 500, same thing happened. And this is the beauty about when you're up and you've already taken a lot of trades for the week, you can be picky. I don't feel no ways about this because I've already won 5 trades this week. I'm blessed. I don't need this. You see what I'm saying? So, but they are flying up. I want to see what it does back to this area where it was consolidating before. Might give us some rejections. It probably might end up around here around 11 and then start retracing. Who knows, right? This is why we're watching. Let's see. Okay. Nas entry. Oh, you have another entry. Okay, I'll take a look at it in a sec. See very clearly. Thank you. Adib said yes. Loud and clear. Okay. 1 point. Nas 100 pineapples for me. 100 points. I'm bullish, but no entry at the moment. Congratulations. Marcus put the congratulations song. Let's see. 1 point. Let's see here. You're bullish. You're bullish on US 30. Very interesting. I mean, I could see that. I'll tell you why I could see that. Let me just... We have a lot of stuff on here. But essentially, look, I tell you guys this all the time. If price is with market structure, right? Price is supposed to keep doing this. Like it's supposed to break. Okay, it went up. It broke lower. All right, we could forgive you. But what's happening now is that this level that was here, price is not really respecting it, right? Because it's doing stuff like this. So what's happened is that price didn't come back to this level and push down. It started breaking above. And now it's playing around this level. So what that told us was eventually, at some point, price was going to go back up. We had this crazy drop, and now price is above here, right? It's moving sideways a little bit, and now it's breaking towards the downside. My guess is because of the way price is moving, even though market conditions haven't been great for September and let's say August, this is a bullish pair. This is a pair that primarily goes up. It's looking for its way back to where, like, it wants to do what it naturally does, which is go up. So I agree with you there in terms of being bullish. As to where I would get in, I'm a scalper, so it's a day-by-day basis. But if I was swinging, you have a couple areas here. You see what I'm saying? If I was swinging, I would want to wait, to be quite honest, to see what happens around this level. This would be the thing that makes me decide as to whether or not I want to get in. I'm not going to get in anywhere here. Unless price really like retraces to like somewhere down here, then yeah, I might, because this is a very steep level. And you can also see price when price was visiting these areas, it was having a hard time. So if price comes anywhere in around this zone, I might get that push that I'm looking for. So that's my, I guess I'll get rid of that. That's my analysis for now. Okay, in terms of, I don't know, are you a scalper, by the way? NT Sako, are you a scalper or a day trader, swing trader? What are you? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Let's see what happens here. You guys remember the other days I was taking counter trades against you guys and they were working. We'll see what happens today. This is just weird behavior over here. But we have these highs to break, which it looks like it's going to, if it has. Oh, it already has. So we've officially made a new, oh no, never, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Well, for today at least, but man, I got to look at this on a higher time frame. I don't like the way Nas is moving. I don't like the way Nas is moving. This is, guys, this is interesting stuff. This is interesting stuff. I'm going to be very skeptical around this area to see what price eventually will do when it gets here. I'm not quite convinced that we would go up right away. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because this type of... The only reason why I'm having like double thoughts is because of how strong this push has been. If it's a slow retracement to go down, it doesn't usually look like this. This is straight bullish pressure. There's money being pumped into this pair like no tomorrow. So we'll see. So now I'm definitely going to wait for sure. We'll see what happens by tomorrow. But I'm definitely going to be alert. For sure. For sure. Ah, US 30. Nah, not enough. Not enough. Not enough for me. No, sir. All right, USD CAD is still doing its doing. We just looked at Nas. Very interesting stuff. Good morning, Pineapples. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, Dean. Haven't seen you in a minute. What's good, K-Dot? Looking very good. Hello, foreigners. What's good? What's good? Let me welcome some of you guys. We'll do it like every hour until the afternoon, at least my time. We will do... Gosh. We will do our good mornings. All right, guys. Welcome, all of you guys who are here. Ranker, say hey, guys. What's good? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. It's a great morning. We are having a wonderful morning. For those of you who just joined, sound like a broken record, but this is what happened so far. We had Euro JPY this morning that we hit TP on, okay? Then this was on a live account, but then we took a mock trade on US 30. Where is it at? And that didn't go so well. We marked up these zones. Prices really reacting nicely from this zone, pushing up. Now we have this zone. That's all that we're in. We have a couple of our foreign family members who are currently in some trades. And we already had somebody also hit TP. We need someone else to hit TP as well so we can get our congratulations songs in there. But we never know. I'm waiting for 11. I have a feeling like 11 is going to be spicy. You know what we haven't checked on as well? We have not checked on gold. What's gold saying? What's gold saying? Gold finally broke out of this area. Oh, it's going to be risky. It's going to be risky. And are we willing to risk it for the biscuit? I don't think so. Not today. Gold's been very interesting. Very, very interesting. Look at its price action on the 1 minute. Right? It's supposed to be making higher highs, higher lows. It's starting to do this. Right? So If gold starts breaking like these levels on the 1 minute, I might start looking at higher time frame to see if there's some reason to get in on a short. We'll see. We shall see. All right. Marcus Adrian put the trophies up. Gold got NTG on the left. NTG on the left after breaking all-time highs. I don't know what NTG is, so maybe I do. My brain is glitching, but elaborate for me, please. I need 15 pips to TP NAS 100. Okay, NAS 100. Let's take a look. You need what? 15 pips to TP? Oh. Like that? Because I know on indices, like, they move hundreds to thousands of pips a day. You know what I'm saying? This move, for example, 152 pips. Right? So you're very close to TP then. So if you hit TP, we might be able to get our congratulations. Gold has been on an all-time high the entire year. Yeah, it's just been pushing all year. Khalid almost hit TP. Yeah, almost. Raizaki said nothing. Oh, gotcha. Gold got nothing on the left after breaking all time. Exactly. So, you know what I mean? That makes it really crazy. But in the meantime, someone's about to hit TP. We don't know where they entered. We're going to assume that they got the most. Oops. We're going to assume they got the most sniper of sniper entries. I'm going to throw a party for this guy. He's almost about to hit a 1 to... This is his TP. Bro's about to hit a 1 to 50, bro. Let's go. Let's cheer him on in the chat, guys. We have the most sniper of snipers in here. When this hits TP, we're going to congratulate him. We're going to celebrate. Because, right, he said like 15 pips, which was somewhere around here. Give me your exact TP point so we can celebrate with you when you hit TP, Khaled. You know what I mean? We can have a good time and celebrate. What do you say, Marcus? No more. Is he? No more 10. No more 10 pips. Okay. Oh, GBP CAD finally hit that level. So, all right, we got a lot to look at. Sheesh. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Is this enough to get into this trade? That is the question. Is it 11? No, it's not 11. I would have loved to take this at 11. Where are we at? Very interesting. How do I feel about this? I don't know. How do I feel about this? Okay, gosh, and we got to go look at, what was it, GBP CAD? Goodness gracious. Okay, let's go to GBP CAD real quick. All right, price is now within this area. Boy, this price action is brutal. Look, bro. Look at this. Nothing says I'm looking to go back down like a stiff trend line like that, bro. This thing is like, it's literally been moving up in the most consistent, uniform way. My best bet is somewhere within this area. This might be a trade we can take live, maybe. Depends on how it plays out. We will see. We will see. Okay, Khaled said, let me just copy it. Oops. All right, copy. Let's go here. TP is going to be here. Oh, I see. Bro, you're going to hit it, man. Let's see. Let's take a look. You should be all right. But, bro, you might get, I mean, if price gets anywhere around here, it might give you a nice wick up. You're just kind of pushing your luck because this was the high of the day. So, but you should be all right, man. You should be all right. Come on, hit TP. Do you want us to write a letter on your behalf, Khaled? You want us to ask Nas to hit TP for you? We can. Smash the likes, pineapples. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Yolomi. You just missed the good morning song, but we'll play it again in like the next half hour. But good morning. Good morning. All our foreigners, all our pineapples. Throw some emojis in the chat if you're a foreigner. If you've joined the Discord, throw some emojis in the chat. Boy, I pray to God you hit TP, bro. I don't want to see nothing happen to you. Here's the thing. I could get in for US 30, but I would not. I don't like the way it's moving. I don't like the way it's moving. Today's just been moving weird for me. It could absolutely plummet. If I did get in, this would actually be perfect. This would be my TP right here. If I did get in, but nah, I'm not getting in. I need to see way more than that. Way more than that. In the meantime, ooh, GBP CAD pushing to the higher levels. Let's see. In fact, let's do a split, bro. Let's do a split real quick so we can watch these two. All right, so we have GBP CAD. All right, going here, and then we're going to do NAS. There we go. Now we can watch both, guys. We can watch both. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. You guys got to engage, bro. It helps me out a lot. I'm doing everything for free. Discord is free. Okay, we got a website being built right now. Should be up today. Free. Smash the like button, guys, please. Man, every time I see your face, I take 100 pips. Oh, brother. Listen, it's going to be a good day, man. Trust me. You'll be all right. I'll tell you when things are looking a little sketch. Okay? But for the most part, you should be okay. Look at GBP CAD. Starting to behave differently. Got 34 seconds to that close. It's going to be super interesting. It's going to be super interesting. Oh. Are we going to get it? Oh, come on. Yes, we are, bro. Let me get my songs ready. Come on. Come on, bro. Just a little more. Come on. Just a little more. Let's go. Almost there. Yeah, almost there. Oh. Bro, stop. Yo, congratulations. Fire emojis in the chat.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Bro, snipers of snipers, bro. Look at that exit. Congratulations. Clap it up. Hey, yo, Khaled. Guess what? We are happy for you, brother.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
We are happy for you, bro. Good job. Look at this push. Bro, oh my goodness. Look at Nas go, bro. Sheesh. There you go. High of the day, and look what's happening. That's why I said you were pushing your luck, because, bro, once you get to high of the day, price is like, all right, that's enough. I can only imagine what US 30 is doing. There we go. See, had this been a Forex pair, I would have got back in on a retracement. This being US 30, I'm going to leave it alone. No word of a lie. Good job, bro. Man hit a 1 to 53. World record. Good job. Now, I like the congrats song better than the good morning song. Yo, shout out to the guy who sang the congratulations song, bro. He's got lungs made of steel, bro. That guy held that note for like 30 seconds. That's crazy. Ayo, the rejection after. Yeah, it's insane. Khaled said, thanks for all the love, guys. He loves you all. That's a sniper exit for sure. That exit is insane, bro. Holy smokes. He was, bro, that's why I said you were pushing it, bro. God, he was aiming for the high of the day. I'm like, brother, like that's, I said you're going to get a wick and then probably a rejection. But I didn't know it was going to be like that, bro. That's crazy. That one candle is nuts. Nuts. Super nuts. You know what's crazy about indices though? It could do all this and still continue upwards. It's just insane how these things move. All right, let's go back. We can get rid of this now and just keep it to 1. All right. Want to see what GBP CAD does within this zone. All right, we have US 30. See, it's retracing. So this would have been a perfect time to not only get in if you were already in, second position. Second position. All right. Could have got in for a second position. But guys, this is not a signal. Okay, please. There's a reason why I'm not taking these trades. Just watch and learn. Do not get into these trades. Unless you already know what you're doing. That's different. You can do whatever you like. Yeah, Nas is crazy, bro. I'm curious to see. Would you look at that? Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, and then we also had, I am going to, what was it? Was it USD CAD? Yeah. All right, USD CAD. Okay. We'll see how this plays out. Swinging is tough, bro. Swinging is so tough. It was hard for me at some points, man. All the waiting. What else do you guys trade? Okay, let's see. Let's not bring it. 1, 2, 53 is crazy. The next Warren Buffett. Khalid Buffett. The next Warren Buffett, bro, hit a 1 to 53. We actually don't know where his exit and entry points were, but we're assuming that he's the snipers of all snipers. So Khalid, either way, great trade, bro. I don't even care. Like, let me go to thing for a second. I don't care if your stops, let's say, were all the way down there, and your trade was even if it was a 1-to-1, it doesn't matter. Great exit, absolutely great exit. Okay, I'm assuming you probably had one of these or something like that, or maybe even like a little closer. Who knows? Great job, bro. Great job. I stick to EU and GJ. Okay, let's take a look at EU and GJ. Euro USD. We looked at this the other day, and we ended up hitting TP on that one eventually. Oh, let's see if we can find something else for today on Euro USD. This is a pair this is the first pair I ever traded in my life. I hated it right after. Did not like it. Price is just kind of hovering within this zone. This doesn't look great to me, to be honest. I don't like days where price is just like in the middle of getting to where it needs to get to. I don't like it. We'll probably put an alert in case price does come back to this level. We can possibly look at some things there, right? Because, I mean, I'm just going to move this up here. You do have a gap up here. Wow. So maybe if price retraces to this level, we can start looking for, who was that? K-Dot? K-Dot, I'm going to say K-Dot is going to sell from here and make a mill. Amen. All right, K-Dot, we pray you're going to make a mill from that trade. All right, GBP Cat said, to hell with y'all. It's already doing its own thing. It's just pushing up. Yeah, man. So, who was it that was in GBP Cat? Okay, cool. Anyways, I don't think anybody's in the trade. We're just looking at it. But price is just pushing up above. You know what I'm saying? So, maybe. But even then, I don't really care for that. I think I'm going to leave this alone for now. I don't trade the pair. I have no idea what to do with it. USD. And then he said the other one was GJ. Let's take a GBP. Oops. JPY. GJ. Here we go. All right, so GJ is approaching this level. All right, broke this one, and now it's shooting back up. When you see wicks like this going back up, could be a really strong reversal. As you can see, it's not really, it has 3 minutes to close, but we'll see if it respects this gap. If it doesn't, we may be able to find something there. But even then, I don't know about all this, man. I don't know it. I don't know. How's you guys' week been so far, man? In fact, let me put up a poll. I want to know. How was your trading week? Good. Yeah. And oops. Bad. All right, guys, let me know how your week has been. How has your week been in terms of trading? We are extremely happy. He said 3 to 4. Oh, almost a 1 to 4. Excellent trade, bro. Excellent trade. Expecting bearish EU. Got you. We'll take a look at that in a second. Not bad, though. We're extremely happy. First day the whole week where even I don't see entries. Oh, wow. It's been one of those weeks for you, eh? Bro, it sometimes is like that. Like, for example, today, some people took trades on US 30 in different areas and zones that I would take them at, even though it came to one of my zones. But long story short, different setups. People see the market differently. That's the thing. That's why you can't follow people too much. You always got to figure it out yourself and find a system for you. I'm 5 for 5 this week because of my system. You see what I'm saying? It's up to you. Marcus showed me some of his trades yesterday. Bro went Terminator mode. You know what I'm saying? Everyone is different. Everyone is different. You just got to do what works for you. All right, GBP CAD. Sorry, GJ. We're looking at GJ. GJ. Yeah, it's gonna close in the next minute, and it's not looking great. But we'll see. We will see what occurs here. And then US 30 is just not having a great day. Let's check on Nas real quick. Wait, there we go. So there you go. I mean, it went down, but this slow retracement is a bit concerning because it makes me feel like it might just actually be wanting to go all the way back down, which I wouldn't be surprised because we've made really, like, look at the push from here to here today. It's been crazy. Let me see if I can put on the daily candle to see. Yeah, so guys, look at this. Price, look, you guys, just so you understand how crazy today's been, this is the opening price right here. Let me not even do that. Let me do this. This line right here is where the market opened. Okay? The market went all the way down here and back up to here in the same day. Do you understand how crazy that is? That's why today I looked at the market and I just knew. I'm like, bro, I've already hit trades on indices this week, a couple. I'm blessed. I had 1 to 4 that I missed, but I got a different trade. And then yesterday I also hit a nice 1 to 2 on SPX. I'm like, I don't need to trade another pair. And when I looked at how the market was looking like today for indices, I'm like, I'm not even gonna waste my time, because days like this I'm not a fan of at all. It's just weird behavior. It's super weird behavior. Gosh, my eye. So yeah, you see how crazy that is? That's nuts. Price opened here, went all the way down here, and then went all the way up here. This is nasty work. All right. All right, so let's take a look back at some of these other ones. US 500, GP may go up. Crazy. All right. Yeah, look at this. About to get wrecked. And if you have spreads on an actual account, you're already out the trade. This is already a loss. Let's go back to GJ. Somebody said GJ may go up. Oh, I'm so tempted to take a counter trade against you. I'm so tempted. We're going to do it. Who cares? We got nothing else to do, guys. It's been so boring today because I couldn't do anything else. I'm just going to get in this. I don't care. I'm in a trade for, not a real trade, guys. And this is not a signal. I don't trade GJ. So please, for the love of all that is holy, don't follow me. All right. We're going to aim, as always, for a 1 to 2. This is us getting in super aggressive, okay? Right now, the 15-minute candle is bullish like no tomorrow. We have no reason to get into this trade, but we want to be a little rebellious. You know what I mean? And to be quite honest with you, this entry is even late. That should have been somewhere up here, but we're not going to do that for now. We're just going to do this, all right? Let's see what happens with this trade. I just got a notification. Gosh, what was that notification for? Look at GBCAT. Was it US 30? Was it? Okay, let's look at Euro USD. GJ may go up crazy. I'm looking for sells on GJ. Oh, you're looking for sells on GJ? Okay, so here's the thing. Maybe don't enter this one, but we might be able to get a proper sell trade. All right, a proper sell trade. We just want to be, I can't see, one second. We just want to be bad boys, yeah? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Yeah, we're entering trades we shouldn't.
You are a bad boy.
Bad boys for real. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. US 30. Oh, boy. US 30.
I don't think he will come back again. It was not easy.
It's not coming back, bro. Be booking everyone. Short term, I think it could go higher, though. I need to see how my macro forms. Got you. Marcus is laughing. Khaled said gold rocket. That's the sell. Oh, gold is flying, eh? Okay, cool. Let's see. You guys, GJ is pushing down. It's not a signal. Don't enter these trades, guys. I don't trade GJ. I'm just looking at certain things. Okay. Let's take a look at gold in the meantime. Since GBP CAD was like, screw you. Let's do this. Let's look at gold. So gold, yeah, gold is just, gold is like, yeah, to hell with y'all. We going up. But are we going to get what we got on Nas, where after the high was taken, it's going to start to plummet? Let's see. I'm going to put an alert here saying price is retracing. Price is, oops, let's read. After taking highs. Okay, let's see what happens there. We got GJ. Ooh, GJ not looking very good. And US 30. I'm saying US 30 is just not looking great. We'll keep that there as a memorial for our bad trades. And what are we looking at? What was the other one? Oh, Euro USD. Ah, Euro. Yo, we might be able to talk today. Yo, I might. We'll see. Let me take a look at this. I'm not really like, I don't mind taking a paper trade, but I'm very skeptical. I don't want to ruin my streak, bro. I'm 5 for 5 this week. I just want to like let it be, you know what I'm saying? Especially taking trades on pairs I don't trade. I don't want to do that. So might do a paper trade and see how it plays out. But you know what I mean? Price was kind of ranging and then broke above. You guys already know the vibes for that. I don't know, man. A lot of pairs been doing this today, guys. If you haven't noticed, a lot of Forex pairs been just consolidating, shooting out. All right, so it's just one of those days where everything is going up or going down or whatever the case, whatever direction they chose. All right, now it's approaching that area that I was telling you guys about. I was saying when it gets to this consolidation area, I'm curious to see how it responds, just because it had a hard time breaking out of this if it wasn't for market open. And now it's pushing down. Can't get too excited. It's just one candle. We need to see way more, you know, action than that. Let's see what Euro USD may give us. We got GJ. GJ is about to take us out. Maybe. We will see. We will see. Here's the thing. It's getting close to 11. So I might re-enter GJ just to show you guys something. Man, today was, thank God I already hit my trade this morning. If I was still waiting for a trade, I'd be a little bent. Went long US 30 full TP at 49.60. Oh my gosh. All right, so you're long. And give us the other coordinates. Your TP's at, let me just copy it so that I can. All right, so TP is right here. Oh, gosh, gold is retracing now. So that's where your TP's at. I don't know where you entered. Let us know where your entry's at. In the meantime, oh my gosh. Okay, XAU, USD, sheesh. All right. Let's see how this plays out. This is going to be super interesting. A lot of things happening here. GJ, oh, GJ's about to ruin our lives. No, GJ, no. No, GJ. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, cool. I'm just going to get in for some of these, bro. I'm so bro, not again. Oh my gosh. Why do we keep doing that? Why is this? Bro, I got to close this ASAP or I'm going to blow my account. Did you guys see that? We were down like 600K in that short move. What the heck? Oh my gosh. This is the second time this has happened on live. Okay. But I'll tell you guys why I'm getting in here. I have a bit of a feeling about this. And I want to aim for maybe these lows. We'll see what happens. Okay, I have my suspicions for why I got into this trade, guys. Again, these are not signals. All right, GJ took us out. So we shall see where the power lies. All right, this is just, you guys, I use paper trades to test certain theories. I just want to see if it's going to do what everyone else is doing. And also we took out a high today, so you know, usually we get a retracement. I've seen from certain pairs, if you get these 3 candles in a row like this, even before you break structure or change character, whatever, you're usually like set to just hop in. So that's what I'm trying. Nothing crazy. It's not a good analysis. Don't enter this trade. This is not a signal at all. Okay, we have Euro USD. Ew, but I gotta wait a little longer for that. I gotta wait a little longer for that. Let me see something here. Oh, I might get in here for breaks this as well. We'll see. We will see. And we'll aim for this box. So this is what we'll do. All right. Oh, it's already. All right. You should wait. You guys, wait for the candle to close, by the way. Don't ever get into a trade just because it's pushing down. Wait for the candle to close, okay? Wait for the candle to close. Do not get into a trade just because it's going past your point. Wait for the candle to close. It's always the safest bet. But let's see. Let's see, people. Let's see. GG is going the opposite way. Euro USD is going down. And gold. Gold is starting to play hard to get again. But let me put some more sizing on gold just because we're not in here to make. Bro, let me change this, bro. How can I? Let me change this. Let's get at least. I did 100 last time and it cost me, bro. Let me do 25s at a time. 25s. So no, let's at least risk like 1K or something, or like 3K, just to make it interesting. All right, this is fine. We'll risk 1,000 for now, just because we don't know what will happen. We might be able to get into a re-entry. US 30, Euro USD going down. GP JPY is now within this area. Let's see, does it want to finally break it? Because it's actually been respecting the life out of these zones. So this is beautiful structure in a sense. Let us see. What shall I call? All right. Okay, shoot. I missed a bunch of things here. I have to go, man. I'm not feeling well. All right, Adib, thank you so much for joining. I'm sorry if you left before I said goodbye, but thank you for joining the stream. Hope to see you again. Show, what's good? Show, what up, peeps? You've been doing really great recently. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you for joining the chat. Welcome back, brother. Welcome back, our fellow foreigners and pineapples. Khalid said, I think GJ goes to 18. Okay, let me just mark this out. GJ. Oh, I see. Yeah, it already hit that. So you were right about that. See, bro, hope you guys hope you get well soon. Yeah, that was NT Sacco wishing a speedy recovery to Adib. Dean is laughing. Which broker do you use, bro? For this is a paper account. This is not a real This is not a real account, guys. So there's like 3 million there. Full beep. Yes, sir. Steven said just hit TP on GJ. Nice. So some of you guys were, I guess, long on GJ. Very nice. Congratulations. Oh yeah, we have to play congratulations because you guys hit TP. I'm so sorry. For everybody who hit TP, guys, fire emojis in the chat and congratulate them.
Congratulations.
I'll answer your question, Aber, me, or am I? I'll answer in a sec. Look at gold. Fire emojis in the chat. Congratulations to everybody who hit TP.
Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Fire emojis in the chat for everybody hit TP. Clap it up, clap it up. Congratulations, guys. Good job. Good job. And as always, we are very happy for you.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
We're happy for you guys. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. And I just saw the poll. Let's see here. 17 votes. Nice. So most of you guys had majority of you guys had a good week. Some of you guys was meh. And a couple of you guys, like about 10-12% of you guys had a bad week. It's all good. It happens to the best of us. Next week, hopefully, will be even better. All right. So Aber, I can't pronounce the name because it's like too. But anyways, he said, what strategy do you recommend me to start trading, especially for gold? I don't trade gold, bro. This is me gambling. Don't even watch what I'm doing at all. So you guys, if somebody is in here and trades gold, you might be able to recommend a strategy, but take it with a grain of salt. None of us are professionals. So I can't answer that for you, unfortunately. We're about to get taken out. Yo, what kind of... what is going on here? That's crazy. I thought we were going to get taken out. Love from Nepal. Aka Chari. Thank you, bro. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for joining us. Join the Discord if you're new. It's a lovely group of people in there. We were actually looking at a trade for... Gosh, I forgot about this. We were looking for a trade for NT Sako. We were looking for his trade. So let's go back to US 30 real quick. Well, guys, look at this. What is this, bro? Look at this. We almost got taken out and now price is going down. Wow. So let's do... Now GJ wants to do this nonsense. We might hop back into GJ. We'll see what happens. Because it's 11 o'clock, baby. US 30 real quick. Oh gosh, look at Nas. US 30. Why is this here? Oh yeah, somebody was bullish on US 30. Whoever you are, I hope you didn't hit stop loss. If you hit stop loss, we sympathize with you if you hit stop loss. It happens to all of us, bro. Such is life. All right, so let's go back to GJ, GBP, JP. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. GJ, yeah, we'll take a look at GJ and see what's going on here because you guys can see these things, man, they happen every day. They just get to certain levels, they start doing this nonsense, right? You just got to find a way to make a strategy around it and hop in. Your USD is not looking too bad. Gold, we got saved by the wick, by the pip, by the point. I don't know what to say. Ooh, I'm in gold shorts. 100,000 lots. So this better go right for it. Yo, bro, do not trust this trade, all right? So far, we're 2 for 2 for these trades on gold. So if this works out, we'll be 3 for 3. If not, but technically with spreads, bro, we would have got washed. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. But at the same time, I was going to adjust my stop loss to here just because I was going to account for spreads, but I'm like, it's a fake account, so it doesn't matter. But in real life, there would be more room there because of spreads. But look, price is going down. You never know. You never know. We'll see what happens. Here, USD, GP, JPY. Steven said, bro, you are killing me, bro. It's a sell. It's a sell. I gave the signal. Oh, bro, I think I have that. Oh, I think I have that. Hold on. I got to find it, though. I got to find it. Gosh, where would that be? Man, it would take me forever to find it. I don't know if I could find it. Let me see. Let me see if I could find it. Yeah, nah, bro. I won't be able to find it. But I'll get that sound for you guys soon. Ask my family who is crying. Ask my family. Wait. I don't understand what you're asking. Is it for the sound that I played? Are you asking who's crying? If you're asking who's crying, it was just a sound. But if you're trying to find out who lost the trade, I can't remember who it was actually. Who was it? Was it Khaled again? Or was it K Dot? No, not K Dot. Wait, was it K Dot? I can't remember. Full margin. Full margin. Full margin. That would be awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna get the sound. I promise. I also find the clip where the guys say emotional damage. I think. All right, I'll get all of those, guys. I'll get all of those. Emotional damage, and I gotta write that down. Bro, Professor, you're in my Discord. DM me that, please. DM me that. And Marcus, if you can text me the classic Forex trade, it's a sell. I gave the signal, please, so I don't forget. I got the one that you sent me this morning, actually. Where is it? I think it's this one.
I just need a day between every day to recover from day before, just so I can prepare for the day coming.
Yeah, man.
Guys.
When you trade, when you have some losing streaks, that's literally how it feels, bro. Guys, your USD looking real good. Not too bad, not too bad. We can at least hope to get at a 1-to-1, we can consider it a break-even trade. But I'm anticipating price will at least go back down to this box. That's what it usually does. And it's 11 o'clock, people, the hour of reversals. So now for me, I find the time is better around 12 o'clock for gold. You know what I'm saying? So we shall see. We shall see. Marcus is laughing. I was looking to start trading. Then some others said gold is good. That's why I asked. Bro, gold is a widow maker. I'm telling you right now, gold will make you cry at night all by yourself. All right? Gold is one of those you have to be very, very careful. All right? Gold will have you saying, when you enter a trade and you blow your account, that's what you be saying.
I can't believe it, Jesus. I can't believe it, Jesus.
That's what you be saying with gold. That's what gold will make you do, bro. Trust me. Trust me. Professor Cool will do. Thank you, Professor. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So Euro USD. In terms of all the setups we've taken this week, I think if we add the 2 US 30 setups today, we were 8 yesterday, so that would be 2. So that's 10. And yesterday we were 6 for 8. That makes us 6 for 10. And then what else did we take today, guys? I want us to track this so that we can see. I used to do this every so often. I would look at, I would say, total setups for the week. Okay, we are 6 for 10. And I'll say 6 wins, 4 losses. All right. So this is what we're at for these things here. We have 10 total setups. This would be setup 11. This would be setup 12. All right. Right. Oh, and we lost this. Wait, are we 11 then maybe? So we have 12 setups actually. We are 6 for 12. They haven't played out yet. We have 6 wins, 4 losses so far. Maybe 5 losses actually. Because of GJ. Guys, help me kind of get this back on track. I haven't entered anything yet. Okay, got you. And I just realized I'm 2 minutes delayed on the stream. Yeah, sometimes the stream is like that, bro. I'll even go back and check it and it's delayed. It's really messed up. Kelly said a beer. The best strategy for gold name is don't trade me. Will you be streaming TFF? I was planning to, but everybody said no. Everybody said keep it to the series. So I'm going to be doing a different challenge series where I'm trading Forex only. I think I'm starting next week. That'll be live every day for 30 days. All right. So you'll still get to see me do that. But TFF, or are you saying, are they in their weekly talks again? Is that what you're asking about? Long gone GJ. Okay, got you. We'll take a look at that. Guys, I can't tell what we're at right now. I think, guys, help me figure it out. We had, yesterday we were 6 for 8 yesterday, okay? So we had taken 8 setups altogether. And then today we lost 2 on US 30. So that makes us 6 for 10. Then we lost GJ, so we're 6 for 11. And now we have Euro USD and we have gold. So I guess that's 13. So that's 13. All right. So we are 7 for 13. Okay. 7 for 13. No, I'm sorry. We're still 6 for 13. So we're actually, because nothing has played out yet, right? Because we only had 6 wins. And we are 5 losses. 6 and 5 is 11. There you go. And we have 2 trades running. That's perfect. We're 6 for 13. So we're not doing great. But we've been hitting 1 to 3s and 1 to 4s. So, I mean, do the math. You know what I'm saying? 6 by 3 is 18. So even with them 5 losses, you know what I'm saying? We're still good. We still have what? 13R. Kill them. All right. So, I said Twitter space. Yeah, it's live. Oh, they're live again. Oh my gosh. This is going to be interesting. Interesting. Okay, let me ask the chat, right? Because we're in here trading as well. Let me ask the chat. Do you guys want us to... What the heck was that? Okay, we just lost on gold. Well, there you go. We're going to update that. So we're now... What are we? 6 losses. We're 6 and 6. Oh gosh, we're halfway. And we got one more trade that's playing out. All right, so that makes us... Yeah, 6 for 13 still. All right, okay, cool. Let me ask the chat real quick. Let me ask the chat. Should we watch live Twitter space with... Okay, they're live right now, so I'm gonna ask you guys, what do you guys want us to do? Should we do that or continue trading? Let me know. Let me know. To be honest, we'll probably watch it still. I ain't gonna lie. We'll probably watch it. We will probably watch it. Oh. Guess what I'm seeing? Gonna be a retail trader here. Let's see what happens here. Got a little something going on over here. This is some, like, serious degenerate type gambling today, bro. Today's just been so bad. So you gotta stick to your strategy. 89% said yes. All right, we're gonna watch this right now. Okay, got my beer. Gold taps. Seems like, if you know, tonight is a gamble night. Yeah, bro. Tonight, it seems like tonight is a gamble night. Sorry. Yeah, tonight is just not my 1,000 lot trade. No, lost my life savings again. Bro, I told you not to enter, bro. Okay, I can make it back. Trust me, I can make it back for you, all right? Operation. Okay, let's put this up. We're going to watch the Twitter space, but we're also going to be doing Operation. Right here. Get Marcus's money back, all right? From gold. From gold. This is our new mission, guys. We have to find entries now to get Marcus his money back. All right? Marcus, you know what? If you're watching, re-enter at the same spot if price gets to that same level. Let's do this again. Let's trade. That's what we're going to do. Except this time I'm going to go 100. Okay. And then let's go to the Twitter space. I know everybody's anxious to see that. So Marcus, we might be able to get your money back. Man, that ain't nothing, bro. I need more than that. Give me a more. Yeah, that's better. All right. Okay, guys, I have to take this off for a second. We're going to watch the Twitter space. Let's see. Guys, just bear with me a second here. All right. Okay, guys, 1 second. I'm about to put it on.
From you guys. So it's a difference here, you know.
Oh, thank
Right
you.
now, obviously, because we found out a lot of information that we weren't aware of, they didn't tell us.
Guys, 1
and we
second. I'm
collected
going to
from
do a
you
dual
guys.
screen. 1 second, guys.
So you have seen what is
All right.
happening in the past 2 days, let's say 48 hours or 36, whatever, in the past few days. So we are
Yeah.
dealing with the situation, our legal dealing with the situation in Europe, in UK, in UAE, everywhere. You know, they're working to resolve this matter so we can continue with doing the payout that we signed on.
I'll be right back,
So
everybody.
it's a
I'll be right back.
difference. We shared the legal documents in the announcement. You know, I think everyone has access to that who's on Discord. If you who's not on the Discord, please join our Discord channel.
No, I am on Discord. I'm on Discord.
Yes, but some people they keep asking the same question because they are unaware. So I don't know.
Okay.
It's good that you are. Thank you for being in our Discord channel. But we are issuing and sharing with everybody the documents. You know that the legal it's preparing, and we are contacting the old management. So everything is there. You know, 95% of the questions that everybody has in regards of payouts, in regards of migration, in all the regards, those almost 95% are in that legal documents that we reach out to the old management to clarify and resolve together. But unfortunately, they are not willing to cooperate with us, neither with our legal departments. We have emails, we have proofs that our legal department reaching out to the old management, and they get unprofessional replies, or sometimes no reply at all. And the last messages, they're legal, they will reach out to our legal, and nothing is happening. So we are at the situation right now that we're taking some decisions. We pause migration from yesterday, just everybody knows as well, because you know we needed to pause till we clarify what is happening and what liability we will take continuing with the brand, because we signed on a certain liability, right? Let's think
Okay.
logic. It's very simple. I make an agreement with you. We say, you come to me and you say, I have this debt and I have this data, right? I say, okay, I cannot verify it overnight. I cannot verify. I need 7 days. I have a legal team everywhere working. Once we sign, I cannot put the legal team also work on doing the due diligence. After 3 times you change your mind on signing the contract. We got to sign the contract, change mind, okay, no more deal. Come back after a few days, let's sign the contract, okay. After 3-4 days, let's renegotiate, okay. You know, and then of course we don't start the due diligence. Anybody who's in the corporate world and he knows, you know, when a company is selling another company or assets or you don't start spending money doing due diligence. No, you put it in the agreement that the deal will finalize after we do the due diligence. And in our case was X amount of days, right? We sign now, we start, and then we collect the data. It's a lot of data to collect. We cannot collect it overnight. He cannot, you know, it's impossible. So we had X amount of days to start doing the due diligence. That's why we signed today. Next day, we issue the forms. I think on 27th of August or 28th, I don't know. Dom, he can correct me. But we issued immediately the files for the community, which we believe you know, because we have the old management and you guys, okay? So we need to compare. So we issued the forms to start comparing the data that was presented to us in the contract. So automatically didn't match. 90% of what was provided, it didn't match from what they declared. and what we have seen on site, live, with you guys, with everybody, right? So automatically, yesterday we decided, after what he did as well on Discord and what he's doing, spreading lies and misleading information. I don't want to speak about this situation more, till the legal gives me green light on certain things, because it's still we are investigating everything that had happened and who are the ones behind it and a lot of things. We pause the migration. We cannot continue migration and give accounts and take the liability, because if we issue an account, like for example, from 26th of August till today, we are liable 100% of every account we issued. 100%. Whatever happens with TFF and the company, we are responsible of all the accounts that we issued, even we migrated, even the new account. Okay, we are responsible, but we need, to compare everything what was before presented to us and what we have found misleading, and then get to a consensus with the old management or with our legal to tell us, do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we will say yes. Okay, we continue and apply A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Us, we work with legal. We are not like other people who's
Okay.
running some of the companies. We work with legal. We come from the financial sector. We are on the corporate level. We know how businesses is made. ABC, by the book. You have legal, you have accounting, finance, financial departments. They review everything. Because numbers, it's easy to throw numbers. But we need to verify all of this. By people, professional people. That's why we hired, external legal. We have internal legal as well. This is why we have finance people, accounting people. They are IT people, which, the sector that I come personally from, and we're reviewing everything. Please, guys, don't forget, on the 26th, when we sign, 8 cap, they shut us down before end of the night. Don't ask me why, because the deal was we take the brand, a functional brand. Now I'm disclosing a few things. If you want to stop me, feel free. But we took the
No, no,
brand,
no.
a
It's
functional,
okay. It's okay.
brand, to continue and improve it and bring all the platforms to it, the dashboard, payment solution, all the plans that we had, right? We took it on 26. Before end of the night, it was down. Everything was down. So we
Oh,
took
okay.
unfunctional brand, offline brand. We took it as an offline. We didn't have access to anything.
Tashin,
Yes.
I think Daily Pips wants to ask a question.
Yeah. So my question basically was that about the firm. During a live account trading, after you place a withdrawal or a payout withdrawal, they will reject your payouts and give you a role that was not on the contract and that was not on the site. Mine was about micro lot size, usage of micro lot size. They say that is prohibited, but meanwhile, on the contract and on the website, there was nothing like that. And when you go to the support to lay the complaint, and they'll quickly edit that part and show you. You get my point now. So I wanted to be sure that you look into that matter and at least let us know some, or just tell us the rules that you see on the firm as you are acquiring it right now, so that you know if these people were playing with us, or it was on our end that we did not check those rules. Because I was actually down, making a profit of about $17,000 and requesting a payout, and they rejected it of a rule I was not aware, and nobody else was aware of. You can ask all these people that are listening now if there was a rule that says nobody should trade with a micro lot size. I don't know if you understand me.
No, we understand sort of the point that you're trying to get across. Obviously, I think there was a lot of frustration for quite a lot of traders that had similar experiences, especially from what we've seen. And a lot of people have asked us regarding this micro lot rule, which is, you know, in all transparency, it's quite a silly rule. It doesn't make logical sense why a prop firm would say you can't do trades of a specific size if they're too small, because obviously they're less risk. So in regards to like hidden rules, we won't go and adjust the rules to deny a payout, because at the end of the day, for a prop firm to be, you know, in any way, shape, or form successful, or for it to grow, you know, payouts need to happen.
Yeah.
You know, and you can see that from FTMO funding peaks to any of these sort of, you know,
Yeah.
props. They don't hide rules. Obviously, any previously like disputed payout or payout that was accepted but not paid, we're currently sort of speaking with legal to figure out the best way to handle that. So we can't answer really regarding the past. We can just say that in regards to the future, we will, you know, we already have simplified the rules significantly. You know, news trading is allowed, overnight holding. There's no slot size restrictions, nothing like that. And our goal really is to make TFF as, you know, as fair for traders as possible.
Guys, real
You know,
quick,
it's just a
like the
little bit
stream so that
difficult because
everybody
we're
else who wants to
fighting,
watch
you know,
this can
5
watch.
different
Okay, like the
battles at the
stream if
same
you
time
haven't.
with
Keep liking the
TFF
stream.
as we speak.
It'll help everybody else
Oh,
who
okay.
wants to see stuff with
My question
TFF.
is, how
It'll help them
about
see it
the
as well.
people that the hidden rules were affected? The hidden rules of the micro lot size and the overnight holdings or weekend holdings. So, bro, a lot of people have been fucked up with these hidden rules. So,
I know, but you know, look, if you're in the Discord, one thing that I would really recommend is we released a legal notification yesterday. So this is a legal notification that was sent about a week ago to the previous management and all companies associated with it. And it clearly outlines a lot of different aspects from our contract. So it does give quite a lot of insight into each trader and sort of what our deal sort of involved. In regards to any disputed payouts, like for example, someone that was breached due to a micro trade lot, there isn't really much we can do because we were not in control at that time. You know, we didn't profit from any of those trades at the time. It's it's relatively, quite a difficult thing. Again, the one thing that we are doing is we're looking at sort of potential legal solutions. That's all we can say at this time. But we can't, sort of payouts that are outside our liabilities as agreed with the previous management. And of course,
all these things can be calculated and be settled or cut out from the amount you are ready to purchase the firm from TJ. You understand? So you make a file of disputed payouts, the amount, even on my offer, even if you are not able to pay the complete amount of the payout, at least you let us know you are paying 50%, 25%. At least let us know what we are getting from this, or we get
again, if
our
you
fund back from the money we used to buy the account. At least that will make
So
I
us
wait,
get
have
you.
they
happy
not
And
and
paid
again,
TJ yet? Because I
get
heard
back
something
to
about this the other
all
day
of that
that they actually haven't paid
information is
anything.
stated within the legal notification.
Sheesh.
okay.
So I would really, and again, anyone, we've released 2 legal letters that have been sent to the old management. I would highly recommend that you read those, because they will answer a very large percentage of any questions you may have.
Okay.
Thank you, Emmy. No, Daily Pips was right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I will let Mark M in.
Hi. Mark here. Quick question. Since the company is facing challenges of finding out how much payouts they're supposed to make, my question to the team is: there are people who are still in the challenge phase. Are they? Why don't you just reset the whole thing and run the company as a new company? Because, of course, I believe there are people who are affected by the payouts, and the previous management is denying the payouts. How about you just start something fresh and run the company as something fresh? Of course, you have the details of people's accounts, how much they were running, and you just basically start afresh, because waiting for the old management to sort themselves out, which they don't want, is basically wasting traders' time who are waiting, for the new management to sort I think it's coming to 2 or 3 months, and everyone is waiting. Like, I don't know if you guys might have like sources of income, but there are people who actually earn money from trading through these prop firms. And imagine for 2 3 months, someone is just seated waiting for a miraculous message from the new management. So it's just a simple, like, fuck those guys, start everything fresh. That's just one bit. And then two, maybe you'll comment on that. And then two, the Discord is a bit paused, I think, for new people or something like that. Maybe you guys also comment on that. Thank you.
Sure. Very good question. So let me address first the last question, which is the Discord. After the attack from yesterday, we did pause new invites. So whatever happened yesterday will not repeat for now. On the other part, we understand that you have been waiting for 2-3 months, but we have been here for 3 weeks. I'm sure many of you appreciate the work that we have did in just 3 weeks, which we were, as I mentioned earlier, we were doing due diligence. We were building and pushing 3 platforms online, dashboard, changing the rules, issuing doing some migration, and issuing also some payouts as well, till we finalize with our legal what is our liability, because based on the contract, they are not our liabilities yet. There are certain things that are not our liability. So we need to make a difference between what is our liability and what is still the old management liability, because this is the contract, what is written inside the contract, which the old management signed and we signed, right? Made, built by lawyers, not by us. On restarting the accounts, we are still, we are thinking and working on finding the best solution for many of you. Of course, we will not have a solution for
Guys,
everyone.
I'm gonna put up a poll. Has anybody got their credentials or logins? Because I haven't still.
Reviewing all the data that we have and everything, as well, comparing to the risk and to our financial as well, because we cannot just give everything, like do full migration, do a full payout, and many of it are not our liability, right? Again, you see, you are bringing your emotion 3-4 months ago, some of you even more, because I have a lot of messages I'm collecting and I'm also sharing with our legal team to review for 7-8 months, for 10 months. Some of them, they were denied payouts for amounts that could have changed their future, their everything they could have changed. Again, we came 3 weeks ago. Okay, we have other businesses.
This is messy.
We are in the industry for a very long time. So here we're not talking about if we have, the money. If we have the money, but this means we need to repair somebody else's mistakes, or repair whatever they decided to do in the past. Like, we need also to look at it from the logical, side, and also from the legal side, and put
Yeah,
everything
man.
together
I
and
agree,
find
dude.
solution together as well, of course, for the smallest number of you to be affected.
Okay, thank you so much, Tazi. Okay, a quick suggestion. It's going to
Sure.
annoy so many people, but then for the future of TFF, I think I would suggest we all accept our losses and just you guys start the company afresh. Because if people claim they
Yeah,
haven't been paid
Marcus.
for more than 4 months, 8 months,
Yes, we
and
have information and messages and proofs for many months.
okay, so why don't we all accept the losses we're facing? You as a company, the guy lied to you guys with and other traders who want to trade and
Ranker,
make
yeah.
a living, but then there are legalities affecting that. Why don't we all accept the loss and you guys just run the company as a new management with negative liabilities, and just start up the brand, and instead of fighting some guy who
Want to
is
hear?
attacking you guys, who's
Let
not
me listen to
telling you the
Twitter's
truth,
voice.
and we the traders or the customers on this other side, we are waiting.
I understand. Thank you for your recommendation. And as I said, we are evaluating a lot of options, and we are coming with decision very soon. Again, a part of it will be sent today in the announcement group, and the rest will be coming in the following days for sure. So we will keep you updated, all of you. Thank you, Mark, for your time and the questions. Very good questions. And I will move to the man after you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. The man, you are next.
Hello,
Hi, the
can you
man.
hear me?
Yes, we
Good
hear
day.
you.
So I wanted to ask, like, I already filled that form, the form you guys sent, the Google form, like a week. Is it a week ago? You sent it on Telegram. I already filled
More,
it, and yeah,
more than
I've
a
not
week.
received more than a week now. I haven't
Yes.
received my login details. Like, what's happening in terms of sending out login details?
We just addressed this question a few
I,
minutes ago. I don't know
I
when you
just
joined, but
I just joined a few minutes ago.
okay, okay. So basically, we have postponed the migration
Oh
yesterday
my
due to some
god.
attacks from the old management. We are
Did you
reviewing
guys hear that?
all the legal action, and then we will, take a decision what we are going to do
And
forward.
nobody got their
A lot
credentials
of
yet. Wow.
information are in the announcement, so if you can take some time, 5-10 minutes, just to review the documents that we have uploaded from our legal team and legal firms, it will answer a lot of questions to
Bro, we're cooked.
why is the delay it's
Yeah.
happening right
This
now.
this is done. This is wraps.
So how long is
They
this
won't give an answer,
delay going
watch.
to go on for?
I would like to know as well, you know, because as I said, we
How's
are
that an answer? I
dealing
would like to know
with
as
a
well.
lot of legal uh, toward the old management, and we are working on that. That's why we cannot do automatic migration. So we start doing manual migration a few days ago, and few of you got the login already. Even payouts, which it was after the
Yeah,
migration,
you
we
love
wanted
me.
to start doing the payouts as well. That's why we started collecting all the information. So again,
Okay.
a lot of
So you're
yeah,
saying like some people already received their login details.
of course, because we started from Monday, I
Yeah.
think Monday night or
Ranker.
afternoon, I don't remember, but we started from Monday. And on
But
Discord, many of them, they shared as well the news. But
if you
yeah,
fill the form, you are going to receive your details. I haven't received mine yet.
of course, because the form is very long and we took it, as I mentioned, manually. We are not doing
Manually.
automatic or
Jeez Louise,
automatic
brother.
migration. We're doing manually.
Okay. That's all. That's all.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I think, Tasha, before you let someone else up, let me sort of explain the reasoning behind the manual migration.
Sure.
So just so everyone's aware, when sort of in everyone else's sort of experience, when, for example, like the previous management would do a migration, the way that it would work is they would run a script. So, you would have a developer from the dashboard side. So the company that provides the dashboard, the CRM, they would create some form of a script where the script would take an Excel spreadsheet and slowly start to import it into the actual dashboard. The reason why they do it slowly is every single trading platform, they have limited API calls per minute. So that means even if the script is able to import every single one of the accounts instantly, the API for example, TradeLock or for MatchTrader wouldn't be capable enough to issue all those accounts instantly. Because once the account is imported, it then will need to do an API call to the trading platform. The trading platform will then answer it, create the account, the size, the logins, all of that information, and then issue it to the trader. So that's how it works in standard. It does take some time, but in this case, it only works if you offer one platform. From our case, the way we really wanted to make sure that traders are happy. At the end of the day, if a prop firm has unhappy traders, it's not going to be around for a very long time. So from our side, what we decided to do was to give traders the option of which platform they go to. Meaning that we cannot do it through a script. We literally have a physical team of quite a lot of people that are sitting in the office and they're manually importing everything and issuing the accounts manually. So that's sort of just so people can understand. That's the reasoning why it does take a little bit of time. It's still roughly the same time as a migration would normally happen. But yeah, that's sort of just a full explanation about how migrations typically occur, as well as how we're doing it. If anyone has any questions about it, obviously feel free to ask. Tashin, you can invite the next person up.
Sure. TS. TS, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we hear you.
Okay, I have one question. My question is that is there a chance that you guys might bail out from the sale and give TJ his company back? Because if you do that, I don't think it would be good for the traders that are at TFF right now, because we saw that the company was going to the ground when TJ was still a CEO. So can you please assure us that there is no chance that you guys might bail out from this agreement?
Very good question, TS. And the answer is we don't have any intention. None.
Look, in all transparency, there's a reason why, like for example, in the previous weeks would be very active in the Discord. And for example, if anyone noticed this week,
Dean,
since sort of the quote unquote drama started, why we haven't been is because we're literally exploring legal option for you guys. We're not gonna give up on you guys without a fight. and we're very clear about that. You know, we want to make sure that the traders are looked after and they have a sustainable prop firm. That's why we're here. That's why we initially, you know, decided to acquire a prop firm
I
that
might
we
get
knew
into a
had some
degen trade, guys.
reputational
By the way,
issues.
don't do this, but I
You
might
know,
get into a degen
obviously
trade.
the full
I'm
story,
just bored. I'm gambling at this
like
point.
the truth, you know, it came out after the contract was signed and we started doing the DD, where, you know, we sort of really started to understand how the situation is. But, you know, we're here for you guys and we're going to do our best to fight for you guys as, you know, until we can. But, you know, we're here.
Okay, so if there's no chance of you bailing out of the agreement, so why then stop the migration? Why not let the migration continue while you're still fighting your legal matters?
Hello?
Oh, sorry, you didn't hear me.
No, I heard the question, but I was trying to speak. So,
Okay.
yeah. So basically, this was a recommendation by our legal till we see further what we are going to do with the old management. We are evaluating few options. Obviously, you know, something that it wasn't our liability, you know, how we can or we must take liability off. Like, it's a very simple, you know. As I explained in the beginning, we have a contract in place with certain liability. Then you find out 10 times the liability is bigger. Whose fault it is? Should we take the hit for the 9x, 9 times the liability, and just continue? Or we should go back to the management, fight legally, find a solution also to resolve the 9x, because it's damaging, obviously, the brand, and come with solutions that fits most of you guys. You know, so it's we need to stop to see what is going to happen, to listen to our legal. That's why we have them in place, and then whatever they dictate to us, then we will apply. So it's not an easy decision, you know, just to continue migration, take all the liability on us, because we are not here to deny payouts. As I said, every account that it was starting from when we came on board, this is our full liability, you know. But again, we are evaluating what we signed for with the seller, and then compare it with the actual liability, and then decide what we are going to do with the difference. Whatever is the difference, we need to decide what to do. Take the losses, restart the accounts, fight back with the old management to recover the difference. You know, like, there are many options that we are discussing right now, which, you know, we cannot go into details, obviously, because I'm sure a lot of the old managements, or some of the old management as well, are, you know, on the call. You know, we cannot discuss our legal, you know, strategy and all this information at this moment.
Okay.
But things can change drastically, you know, like with sharing information. But at the moment, we cannot.
Okay, understood. I have one last question before I leave. I wanted to ask about the sustainability of the company. Like, is the company going to only depend on sales, or are you going to be booking some profitable traders, or like, what is the strategy of making the company sustainable going forward?
Very good question. So
Okay, that is
okay, Dom,
an amazing question.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I think, you know, to sort of, and I'm sorry, because I feel like every answer I give is a bit of a of a lecture. But so typically, how a prop firm works is they'll obviously have a trading platform, and they'll usually take the data feeds from platform. So, for example, if they use MatchTrader, 99% of the time they'll just be using MatchTrader's database. The one benefit of being a broker-run prop firm is we have our own bridging engines, we have our own data feeds, and we have our liquidity. A bridging engine, just for people sort of that are listening and might not know, is a bit of technology that connects into your trading platform, and that's the sort of the data plus the liquidity aggregator. So, for example, if a prop firm wants to book profitable traders, they will do it at the bridging engine aspect. That's where it will essentially start to execute copy trades or other different mechanisms to do the real life trading. Obviously, we've got all of that technology in place, and we've got a risk team that monitors all the trading, so that, for example, we do start to book. Obviously, at the moment we do have quite a few accounts. All of the accounts are essentially fresh traders for us, which means we don't have enough data yet. But if we see a trader that is extremely good, or a trader that meets a very sort of specific criteria, which isn't that difficult to meet, they will be being booked through a copy system. Because from a regulatory perspective, if it's a direct book, it becomes a little bit fishy from a regulatory perspective. If you implement sort of a hybrid approach on the book through a copy system, that is, from a regulatory perspective, that is fine for prop firm to do. And again, look, we're giving you answers that 99% of prop firms won't give you, because we want to be honest with you and we want to be transparent with you.
Okay, thank you. I have no other questions.
Thank you.
Okay.
We'll take one more. We'll take Maxwell. 1 second. One second, Maxwell. Maxwell, you hear us? He left. We'll add Ruiz. Can you hear us, Ruiz?
At this point, this is
You
just
are
kind
on
of
mute.
sad. I won't even lie, bro. This is just. I think people are just gonna lose all hope.
Okay.
Next. It's just not.
Hello.
Samuel.
This is dog.
Samuel, can you hear us?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, ranker is true. They all.
Hello, everybody. So yeah,
Hi, Samuel.
first things first session. Want to say I appreciate the work you lots are doing, because obviously we don't know what's going on the back end, and even with all the drama, you lots have still been a bit communicative. And yeah, for the first thing, would it be possible for you all, since you're already in what do you call it? Since you already made a notification to TJ, would it be possible to request? I believe since you have a legal team, you should be able to request in court that the previous providers, because there were brokers or service providers used by TJ to run TFF initially, the data from them be collected to help complement like currently funded and possibly challenge traders. Because fair enough, you can't be liable for all of the losses incurred, and there's some traders. A lot of people have complained about their payout account breaches, payout denial,
They're
and
not
all of
gonna
that.
do that.
But I feel like since you already, because I saw a case on the group today where you were able to verify someone's account, even if their details weren't on the what's it called submitted information you guys had. So is there a way to like cross check with a couple more traders, at least those of the ones who seem to still be valid before the purchase? Because genuinely, I personally believe that accounts that were breached for whatever reason before the purchase don't exactly stand a chance to be recovered. If we're speaking from a what's it called, logical point of business or legality. But all I'm saying is it possible to get the data from previous providers and cross check them against data that the users have submitted,
so you can sort of compensate for those people who can still like get their accounts back and all that?
Very good question. Thank you, Samuel. It's a very hard task. To be very honest and straightforward, it's a very hard task, especially that the old management doesn't have good relationship with any of the old vendors.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
collecting those data, we need to check how, whatever data they can share with us and they're allowed by our legal, and then find the solution to compensate most of the traders. This doesn't mean restating accounts. This doesn't mean going to unbreach whatever was breached, because obviously, we cannot be liable of something like that. But to
Yeah, fair enough.
find together a solution, only for the affected traders of the old management, this is a very good idea. And we will discuss it internally.
In other words, they're
and
not gonna go to
we will
war
see
in courts for you guys.
what we come up with.
It just won't work out. But they will try and find
All
something
right.
they
Which
can do
I cannot tell you right now,
to help
obviously, because
those
this
who've been
is a
affected.
longer discussion,
Yeah,
and
quote unquote.
it with the partner and so on. So it needs to be looked in, and maybe we do something nice for the community, the affected ones,
All right.
previously.
Now over to two other things. This is just suggestions. Obviously, you don't have to go by them,
Of
but I
course.
feel like it would what's it called? It would build a little amount of trust in the community. Um, Currently, I think it would be best to pause new sales because a lot of people are already seeing the firm as a scamming firm and coming back with discounts and sales. When some people are complaining
Yeah,
of
it's
not having
messy,
the
bro.
data imported, just gives an even like worse look for the firm because it looks like you're trying to generate money while nothing is going on. I don't know if that makes sense. So I think it would be best to pause
It's
new sales and then
okay.
also for what's it called? Currently existing funded traders and challenge accounts. You already said you're resetting the accounts for funded traders based off the information I read off the what you call it, the notification sent to TJ, which I want to presume a proper agreement was signed before this notification since things are going
Of
south.
course.
Yeah,
Of
so
course.
based off the
Notification is based on the
notification,
agreement.
I'm
yeah,
about to get
I observed
flamed by
that
gold.
there was a section of the agreement that says that the seller what's it called allows the buyer to be armless of all of these liabilities, including denied prayer, breached accounts, and all of that. So as you're pausing sales, I think for some breached
Marcus, you're
accounts, if you
right.
can find data to prove that they were wrongfully breached, maybe a coupon code after migration or I don't know, sort of compensation, maybe small accounts or something could, sort them out. Obviously, it's gonna be a step back for the company in terms of what you call it, resources and finances. But I think this is just a way to build like more trust and engagement in the community.
Sure. So as I mentioned earlier,
Yeah,
we're evaluating all
yeah,
options
I agree,
at the
1,000%, Dean.
moment to resolve, many of the issues that we didn't create. But to go back on, some opinion of the traders that, we should stop sales, I don't see a reason to stop sales. People needs to see that everything is functional, that they're not having issues, delays with trading. I don't see it, and I don't see any wrongfully doing
First
with
off,
that. Even especially that we have our own platform built by our team
you
that we
can't. Why
want
would you be
also
selling if
traders
you don't have things in
to
order? So I get what
experience,
Samuel's saying,
right?
but at the same time, I
So
Okay.
don't know why Samuel
we are
expected
not
them to do that. They're
mixing the
not going to stop
situation,
sales. It's their only
that
source of income at this time,
created
probably,
by the old management
for the
with
prop
the
firm.
situation right now. Like we cannot suspend business and sit. We didn't come like let's be very very open. We didn't come into acquiring TFF just to I don't know offer services for free at the end of the day,
Obviously,
right?
obviously,
You're not trading for free, right? You're trading,
obviously.
putting your hard worked money to generate more income for you and your family and your future and education, right? Simple.
Maybe.
And
Yeah,
food
fair.
and so there are two different things. Let's not put them together. I saw some of the comments. You're right. Some are saying that, but again, let's not forget, we come from the financial sector. We come from with many businesses behind.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Cruising King.
We have experience in. So we
This.
didn't come here
Sheesh.
to take TFF to make money 2-3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and be happy. This is not
just taking
our
that trade.
vision. We have a total different vision. We came here, we have another prop, we have a broker, we have other businesses that are generating funds. This is isolated. We are not mixing left with right. They're totally different things. We came here because we saw an opportunity.
Almost.
We saw some of the issues. We believe in ourselves and what we can do further on to resolve many of the issues that are in our control and to make profit as well, to generate income. And of course, a percentage to share it with the community and build together, a safe, stable community that everybody can, be a safe place for them, a reliable place to come and buy a challenge, make money, have a profit. It's very simple. There are 3 steps, So we understand, of course. And as I said, we are looking into many solutions. And for now, this is all what I can do and say, unfortunately,
Tassin,
for now.
Tassin, I'd said this from an operations perspective because obviously, like you explained, the sales of new accounts and all of that is for the what's called the new operations of things going on in the company. But take, for instance, now that you've paused migration, let's say, hypothetically, 500 people purchase 100K accounts today. Hypothetically, 500 people purchase 100K accounts today. And maybe while migration is paused, for whatever reasons, legal, finance, you guys are sorting things out. It takes probably a week or 2. And then some of these traders end up getting funded. What happens?
They will get funded. They will get the payouts. This is separately.
That's where I'm going.
100%.
Can you assure payouts for whoever will get funded? Say, for instance, obviously nobody's expecting that all of this drama is going to take an extra month or 2. But let's just say something goes out of place and it's got to take that long. Can you assure the new traders who are coming on board now would be able to achieve payouts without
This is why
issues?
we started the sales, to show the community when we issue the payouts, it will be public.
All right. That makes sense.
To start changing the view of TFF for whoever have a sore taste of the old TFF, you will see new people who purchase at the 60% off, like it's no cost, almost like it's whatever. We're not going into math, but we want to show that those people are new people who came, purchased, got funded, got payouts. And here is the public information. Everybody will be public. This is why we open general, right?
Yeah, that makes
we
sense.
will not manipulate. Everybody talking whatever they want. Even the old management came yesterday. We are not, it's an open space. Everybody can give their opinion. But at the end, we want everybody to be respectful because some users are not respectful, which, we don't like. But other than that, everybody can say whatever they want. We came, we opened immediately general, and we knew it will be how it is today. But, we want everybody to see the real picture of who we are. We don't block people. We don't remove people. We don't close general chats so you cannot share opinions. We don't do all of this to isolate and build, we are good. No, we want you to decide if we are good or not us, to live in a bubble and say, oh, we are good because we don't see anything. No, go comment on Twitter, go comment on Discord, say whatever you want, no problem. But be respectful. This is the line, the red line, because I don't insult nobody. I don't like nobody to insult us or our team, right? It's very simple. No insulting. But other than that,
you can say whatever you want.
Frustration, whatever, anger, complaints, whatever, it's open, it's general to everybody. And this is how it was.
So lastly, Taj, sorry guys, sorry for the delay. Lastly, since you're currently taking a pause on the migration, someone had mentioned earlier about the automation process and the API calls and all of that. I'm a developer myself,
my
so
partner.
I think while you're on a break right now, you can possibly sort out the migration processes in batches, so that once you're back, because I feel like if you set them in batches, all of these API calls have limits, like you mentioned, and they're all timed. Like every limit, where every request is timed, so you can still make your scripts to work in line with the API request, and then that way, if everything is sorted out in batches right now, once you're back on migration, you can start having some of them sorted out automatically, while you have the rest of your tech team address the rest of it manually. So that way it speeds things up.
Okay. Okay, we will give your view and recommendation to our team, and we will discuss it internally, of course.
All right, thank you so
No
much.
issues. Thank you a lot. Thank you, everyone, for your time. I hope we answered many of your questions. And stay tuned. We will let you know. We will make announcements. We will keep you updated. We will be, as we came, transparent and continuous. We'll be transparent with everyone. Thank you again for everyone. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Take care.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another Twitter space. What do you guys think about all that, man? What do you guys think about all that? That's very interesting, guys. I don't know. I don't know, man. Any hope? You guys have any hope left in this whole thing? At this point, we are gonna be waiting months on end before anything can happen. I hate to say this, but guys, I've been saying it from day one. Put your money elsewhere for now. Right now, there's just a lot to work on this side. For those of you who are affected, it was your only account. I feel for you. I really, really feel for you guys, man. From my point of view, it's cooked. Yeah, I agree. There's just nothing that can be done at this time. I don't think so, because it sounds like they're finding out new information over and over and over. Last week's information was different from this week's information, and this is all within a week. I spoke with one of the people on the management team because I was like, hey, we're supposed to have a meeting, so I want to speak to them, and they were like, yeah, sure, we should have some time today. And then the next day, he didn't get back to me that day. He got back to me the next day, and he was like, hey, bro, sorry, we just had a cyber attack that we had to deal with. I'm like, what? So just things are just going haywire over there. I don't know. I really and truly don't know. So guys, I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. The trading space right now is just messy. Too much is going on. At some point, regulation will have to come into this, because if not, trading as we know it will be, I don't want to say a thing of past, but it's going to be tough, man. Everybody will probably have to learn to trade stocks or options. I don't know. I don't know. This is crazy. It definitely needs to be regulated, man. This is insane. What do you guys think? It's just Ranker in here. Marcus is misspeak. What do you guys, the rest of you guys who are in here, what do you guys think about this situation? You know what I mean? Like, what are you guys doing? Are you guys trading with them right now, or have you received your credentials? I know everybody said no. What are your alternatives? What are your options? What are you guys thinking right now? Oh gosh, we're about to hit TP on USD. That is insane. That we hit like a 1-to-1 and now it's reversing. That's crazy. Of all the trades we took, I didn't think this one would reverse, but all right, this one is now starting to reverse as well. Something's pushing these things up for sure. But bro, I'm done. I'm not gonna gamble no more. I'm not gonna get no more trades. It's all good. Yeah. So, anyways, what do you guys think? The probability of there being a solution is very low, especially from the way they presented themselves. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's not the way this whole thing's being presented, the way this whole thing is lining up, it looks terrible. I won't lie. You know, you can't get a straight answer as to when something's going to change. That alone is just brutal, man. Will Twice said TJFX might have just cooked the Forex prop firm industry. Bro, oh my gosh, I don't want to say too much about that, but apparently somebody sent me a screenshot about some stuff going on with him and the Forex funder. I think that's the reason why this whole drama has been so brutal, is because he apparently didn't get paid and all these weird things going on. This is weird, bro. This is super weird. This prop firm, as of right now, is not in a great space at all. I appreciate them doing Twitter spaces, but I think people just want to see action, right? Actions speak louder than words. I can keep telling you I'm going to pay you next week, but if I never do, you're not going to care when I say it again. Yolomi said just another prop from that field. It's sad, but it sounds like that's exactly what this is going to be. Totally agree. It's insane. At least not let them run for free when they do scams like this. You guys, the thing that sucks about the prop firm industry is that because of how everything is registered and regulated right now, there's not much you can do. The guy's saying like, oh, you can check and see if they violate any terms. What are you going to do? What are you really going to do to TJ? TJ could walk up to you right now and you can't legally do anything to him because these things, they do their stuff in the Bahamas and all sorts of weird areas where regulations and jurisdictions in our countries don't apply. So there's not much you can do. What are you going to do? You're going to go to the government of Bahamas and say, hey, this guy took my money. He's going to say, welcome to the club, man. That was a terrible accent. But you get what I'm saying, right? It's not much that's going to happen. Marcus said, these guys have another prop firm that is not that great as well. I blew their 10K account before the mess started. Yeah, so you're free, Mr. R, bro. You're free to just go. Marcus, I want to know more about that prop firm because I think I heard about that too. Cruz said TFF is cooked. I agree, man. I agree. It's you know what I mean? I have nothing personal against the new management. I don't. They seem like they're really trying and all that, but dog, there's got to be way more than that. There's got to be way more than that. And the tough thing is, like, so if the legal stuff is not sorted, why are we out here? Maybe, like, you know, I know they're not going to pause operations, but I see why Samuel's like, maybe pause everything and then come back when you're ready. Just a suggestion, right? And I kind of agree with that. It's like, why are we still operating when nothing is, I don't know, bro, it's so messy. And they'll pop up in a couple months down the line with a 60% off discount and people will still flood in. You guys, I'll say this as clearly as I can. For those of you guys who, especially when TJ wasn't paying nobody out and things were nasty, those of you who are still buying, you are to blame for all this. You guys are the ones who made it so that he could continue to make sales and, from what I understand, post fake payouts, allegedly. You see what I'm saying? And get away with it. But from what I understand with these guys, they've already promised that they're not going to do no 60% discounts. They said they're going to cap it. I think they said they're going to cap it at 30% at most. Something like that I read. So this is not looking great. It's Axe. Oh, Axe. You guys want to take a look at that real quick? Let me see. Let me see if we can get that real quick. Axe prop firm. Is it Axe Trader? Is it this? Let me bring this over real quick. Oh, shoot. One sec. I gotta make this so that this is no longer on full screen. And then I can bring this over. There we go. Is it this? Is this what we're talking about, guys? Is this the company, Marcus? Review and trust pilots are terrible. Funded account starting at $74. Mans are giving away the farm, bro. Sheesh. Get funded. Let's check it out. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So, funded Axe. Double Axe. What the heck is going on here? Okay, so this is a standard challenge. This is a up to 100% payout. Wait, single Axe. So 1 step, 2 step, and they have a instant funding, and you can get up to 100% payout. Daily loss limit is 3%. Max drawdown is 6%. It's $700 for a 25K account. You guys, let me tell you one thing I've learned from funding, instant funded accounts. If you guys have the money, if you have that $800, $700, put into your own account and just trade it. I would rather put eight bills into a personal account, trade like risk 10% per trade, than to put into instant funding. It's just, trust me, I've done a bit of instant funding. It's not fun. So many stipulations around it. It's annoying. Trustpilot. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Trustpilot. 4.4. How many? 38 reviews. Let's check the 1 star. As always. One of the disappointing firms I have never seen it. I passed my evaluation stage and I was in the funding. They just closed my account saying that my account violated daily loss. But whatever I did on my evaluation stage, I did the same on funding account and they just closed the account. Hello, sorry to hear about your experience, but here's an important fact. I'll be mentioned in the review. When stage you did not hit your daily loss. I mean, usually when you hit your daily loss, when your account gets breached. Bro, that response has my head spinning. Do not use. You forfeit all your trade profits once your account goes below 10% a day. I mean, 10% a day is everywhere, though. Which isn't fair. Check for options other than M2. You forfeit all your trade profits once your account goes below 10% a day. So he's probably up like 10%, and then so these are the guys who bought TFF, essentially. Dog, we're cooked. The reason I'm saying we're kind of cooked is because, bro, if their prop firm itself isn't doing that great, what's to say that TFF is going to do even better? Man, I'm too hungry for all of this, bro. I need to eat. This is too much stress for one day. Not to mention these trades all reversing, acting all crazy. Okay, gold is finally starting to go the right way. But look what Euro USD is doing. Just nuts. And then finally, GJ. I was waiting all stream to get into GJ. I turn around, it's starting to push up. I hate trading sometimes. Anyways, I don't trade these for real, so it doesn't matter. But anyways, guys, I don't know, man. I think Yone Yield said, yo, what's good? Welcome to the chat, the live. We're actually about to hop off soon because we just listened to the Twitter space. These trades are not really going well. So, and they're all paper trades anyway, so it doesn't matter. We're trying to get Marcus's money back, though. Marcus, hopefully you're still in the trade. You might not have to sleep on my couch tonight, bro, so looking good so far. It's 12:11, guys. It's 12:11. I'm actually supposed to take my wife out before I get back to work. So, and I got to get the website up and running, guys. It says sent it on WhatsApp. Okay, I haven't seen nothing, Marcus, but I'll check. The last thing I have from you is like 2 hours ago, but I'll check. Your USD, my brother, nice for a long starting tomorrow. Let's see. Got you. You're long. Okay, cool. CEO docked someone who he thought was stalking him, but it ended up being the wrong guy. Oh my gosh. The CEO docked somebody. Yo, this gold trade is starting to move now. What the heck is going on? Your USD, same thing. What is going on here, bro? These pairs, man, they be crazy. They want the drama to acquire more people. Got you. The drawdown per trade, I hate. It's less than the daily drawdown even. Yeah, it's terrible. Audacity Capital, best prop firm. Audacity. Oh, I know about Audacity. I've never used them, though. I've never used Audacity. Never, ever. Dog. This is the site? Was this made with Wix? Fam, this is the site? I ain't gonna lie, bro. This site looks, I know they have a long-standing reputation, but yeah. Site is, wow. Okay, let's check funding options. At least they have a free trial as well. Overview. What the heck is going on here? Oh, okay, we're already here. Here's the funding process. All right. So they go up to 240K. And that would cost you 1,600. Let's see how much they're 100. Oh, they have 120. Wait, funded trader program. I'm sorry, bro. The color scheme of this website is giving me vertigo, bro. This is nuts. Let me go back to ability challenge. All right, so we have 10K, 15, 30, 60, and 120. I have a feeling like this is because it's in my current. No, it's USD. Okay, cool. So 120K accounts is going to cost you $779, but they still offer MT4 and MT5. Oh, it's not too bad. How much is a 10K account? 129. Not the worst. 15, 30, 60. This is where a lot of other companies are starting their 100K account at. So kind of steep. What do you guys think? Any experience with Audacity Capital? Any experience at all? As the guy said, any wrong in the book? Any wrong in the book? Any experience with Audacity Capital at all? At all? Bro, this is upsetting me. It was going to be a paper trade anyways, but I waited so long for it to do this nonsense. And then, anyhow, this is why after I take my trades, I usually hop off the computer so that you don't feel no ways about nothing. All right. So Marcus, at least at this point, I think we're at at least a 1-to-1. You might want to close half so you can secure some of your money and then maybe let the rest run to a 1-to-3. That way you can still make 2%, get all your money back. All right. Marcus is laughing. Site looks like they're trying to make a website by a noob. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Am I tripping, bro? Is it just me? This site gives me Wix, bro, or like GoDaddy. GoDaddy free trial. You know what I'm saying, bro? This is like, oh my gosh. I don't know, bro. This. You know what? Where's the console? Let me see something. Man, I gotta check this out for 1 sec. Let's go back to the main page. Sorry, guys. I know this has nothing to do with trading. Just bear with me here. I just want to see something. Because, bro, who made this site, dog? WooCommerce? No, that's a plugin, though. Which WooCommerce would be what? WordPress. I think WooCommerce and WordPress are the same, I think. All right, we'll assume it's WordPress. WordPress, you can usually get better sites than that. Okay, anyways, to each his own, bro. WordPress, yeah, so WordPress. All right, cool. You checking if it's Wix? Yeah, bro, I had to see, bro. This literally looks like either GoDaddy or Wix or something, bro. Nice for you to pull up to inspect. Let's see what For some of you guys out here are savage, bro. Let's be nice. Let's be nice, all right? It's been an interesting day, an interesting week, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna message my wife because we were supposed to go for breakfast because I thought I was gonna end the stream a lot earlier. That didn't work out. Maybe I'm gonna take her for lunch. I got a lot of stuff to do. But guys, my site should be finished tonight. I'm waiting for the domain name to transfer and stuff like that. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, for those of you guys who are wondering, I'm going to be uploading some, my templates and stuff that I was showing you guys are all going to be on there. Going to be some good tools on there. Free. The only thing that I think is going to be paid is like one-on-one. If you ask me to spend time with you, I have to charge you for my time. But the course is going to be free. Everything else is going to be free, essentially. But I am working with the Discord mod too. He has some ideas as to how to monetize this as well. So we will see. But for the most part, everything will be free. All right. Hunting said they that broke. Cruiser Kid says Sweet Fun has a discount. You got 40 minutes left. I'm not gonna, to be honest, I have a lot. I'm trading 9 accounts. Some challenges, some are funded, and some are in challenge stages. All right. So for me to buy another prop firm is highly unlikely. FX Sway, is that it? FX Sway? Let me know if I'm on the right one. Gosh, I have so many stuff going up. Trade Locker with an 80% pause. Okay. No, is this, bro? What am I looking at? Did the site crash or this is the site? Holy father, bro. This can't be the site. This got to be a fake site, bro. No, I'm not in FTMO, Yanayield. I'm not with FTMO. Okay, let's try this. This might be all right. Cool. So this is Sway Fun. They take our challenge. All right, yada yada yada. All right, let's see. So phase 1, phase 2. Oh, this is a 1-step. Okay, let's do regular. Let's see. 100K. Where we at? 100K. All right. So 100K. Profit target is 10 or 20%. It's got to be like one of those where it's like if you buy a swing account versus a regular account, something like that. Because 10 or 20%, what does that mean? Minimum trading days is 4. Maximum daily drawdown is 5%. Overall drawdown is 10%. Leverage is up to 1 to 100. Price is 549. Reasonable. But at this point, guys, it's better to pay for a quality system, right? Because you get what you pay for, than to pay 60% off. You could literally get some of these accounts for like $50, all right? And then not get your money back. That's why I only recommend FTMO, the 5%ers, and possibly Alpha Capital Group. Possibly. I'm not done with them yet, so I'll let you guys know. Cruising Kid, that's not it. Sway funded is from the broker Sway Markets. Yeah, that's what I figured. $7 commissions per lot. Yikes. Those are add-ons. Got you. All right, so let's go 100K. Okay. And what? I'd have to sign up because I'm not signing up. All right, cool. This is an interesting site. It's better than Audacity so far. Yeah. This is a very unique way of making a site. Interesting. Those are add-ons. I can vouch they pay. Yeah, no, you've been saying that they pay, so at least that's good that they pay for sure. What for Top Step? Aren't they good? I'm using Top Step right now. Top Step, in my experience, so far has been amazing. I'm about to, well, not about to pass the combine, but I'm gonna pass the combine. You guys, I trade Top Step maybe once a week. That's my issue. There's so many accounts I'm trading that I can't focus on one. It's so bad. But if I had a trade copier like I used to, I still have it, but it just can't connect to all the platforms because everyone's like, hey, let's do Mass Trade, let's do DX Trade, let's do whatever other crappy platforms out there. So now I'm essentially just paying for my trade copier just to sit there and take my money. It's bad. Sway affiliates discount code. Got you. Yo, you're out here promoting too much, Cruising King. Is you have a incentive? Is this a tight selling thing, huh? You work for the company? What's going on here, my boy? What's going on here, Cruising King? Oh my gosh. It starts. So tomorrow I'm buying Maven. Let me see. I can't. This thing, the way this thing's set up, I can never read it fully. I will. Okay, there you go. I will share my experience after using them. Yes. Let us know, please, and thank you. This nasty trade. All right, guys. So, guys, be careful who you go with. Okay. Be careful who you go with. You get what you pay for. In fact, let's just quickly look at these real quick. Real quick. Let's look at, okay, you have good old, I don't have to show you guys FTMO. You guys already know what FTMO looks like, right? You have good old FTMO. FTMO's site is pretty straightforward, right? Step 1, step 2. Then they have monetized demo. Oh, they have some new things now. And then pro trading. Very nice, FTMO. They're just getting better all the time because they did things the right way in the beginning. We have the 5%ers. Some people say fivers. Some people say 5%ers. Bro, I can't tell who is who and what is what. Okay, and then we have them. I hate that. I won't lie. I hate the names for their challenges. Okay, hyper growth, high stakes, boot camp. Anyways, they're good though. They pay out. All right, they're very consistent in everything they do. So your traditional 2-step. You want to verify my human being? Really not. Right, so you guys can see it. Let me just put this back on so I can see your comments. Nah, man, just trying to help out. I don't care if y'all go through them or not. Yeah, I'm just messing with you, man. You good? And Dean said top notch. Yeah, so they're standard 100K. Let's see, unlimited trading days. Cool. Minimum profitable days is 3. I don't want to cuss you, 5%ers. For scaling. Thank you for that clarification. Maximum daily loss 5%, maximum loss 10%, profit target 8%, cost $4.95. $40 profit share reward from phase 1, 80 to 100% profit split. Wonderful. Now we need to know the leverage because the last time I traded with them on indices it was 1 to 3. I would have to hold until God comes back to pass a challenge. It was insane. It's terrible. Or you'd have to take really big, like you couldn't even take big positions. It was just really difficult. So let's see. Let's go to about FAQs. We are going to type in leverage. Let's see. What is the leverage? The boot camp, hyper growth. What are we doing? What was the one that we were just on? Was it high stakes or hyper growth? You guys remember? High stakes. Thank you. All right, Forex indices 1 to 25. I could deal with that. All right, good. So you guys, there you go. Leverage is pretty good in my opinion. Standard for most. It doesn't matter who you trade with. The highest I've ever seen for indices is like 1:50. Most of the time it's 1:25, 1:30. It's enough for you to get your trades in. All right. Cruzen said he's gone. Yeah, no problem, Cruzen. Have a good one. All right, guys. So it's 12:30. Basically, I've been streaming since like 9 or something like that, guys. I'm just at this point, as much as I love spending time with you guys, I got a family. I got other businesses to attend to. Look, Marcus, we're about to hit TP. I'll post this in there and I'll let you guys know what happens with it. Your USD, make up your mind. This is annoying. Sorry, guys. Anyways, I love each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one, all right? Goodbye, pineapples. Have a great one, foreigners. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.